What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mass Market. How's everybody doing tonight? It is never a dull moment in the crypto space, man. I'll tell you that. So tonight we'll be going over some technical analysis, seeing what's going on with Bitcoin. We dropped from a high of 64 today all the way to 60,000 almost. So we are in a bit of a downtrend right now, dropping to 61,595. So we're waiting for this to find some support. So we'll give everybody a few minutes and then we'll get to rocking. But guys, if you're watching this on rewind or for the first time, make sure you smash that subscribe button for us. Join up with the family. We also got a link to 100% free Discord. I will pin to the top of the chat right now. All right, let me put out this little link real quick and then we'll get rocking, man. How's everybody doing tonight? Let me know if you're in the chat. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. Let me know if I'm coming in clear over the mic. What is up, HC2? What's up, RW? I'm just finalizing everything right here. Then we'll get to rocking, man. Talk about what's going on in the crypto space, man. Let me see. All right, guys, what's up, One Shot GT? I'm 100% not worried. Hey, me either, my man. I am not worried one bit. Crypto goes up and then crypto goes down. We have to remember that when you're dealing with a volatile market such as cryptocurrency. But keep in mind a broader perspective. Bitcoin, 3 weeks ago we were struggling to get over 58,000. So now we're talking about dips to 61.5. It's not looking too bad. Yeah, we did see a pretty good sell-off today. It is still in a bit of a downtrend right here. Let's go over the charts. I got Bitcoin pulled up here on the left. Let me get down here off the 30-minute, kind of give us a better perspective. We do have really strong support where we're sitting at 61.4. The point where I would get a little bit concerned, and not even a whole lot concerned, would be a break below that 60,000 support right here. So we'll go ahead and pop this line off Bitcoin right here. Pretty much call it 60,000 right here. And then we did hit a bottom right there of 59,427. That was on November 1st. So yeah, we came a good way since then. Definitely pumped to a new all-time high. But guys, when in doubt, you freaking zoom out. Look at this 4-hour chart on Bitcoin right here. Still in an upward trend. Just seeing a pretty good pullback right now. So I'm not concerned the least bit. I don't think anybody should really be panicking right now. We're just seeing better buying opportunities to, either average down, exit out. Just be careful if you're trading on margin, because a lot of people out there are getting liquidated right now. I was checking Twitter. Lots and lots of liquidations going on, which probably sped up the process on this candle right here off this 4-hour to drop below that 200 moving average. So we are underneath it right now where we sit, and you have to keep that in mind. That is a little bit getting in bearish territory anywhere. Anytime you're on a 4-hour chart trading beneath all your moving averages, you're starting to move in some bearish territory. So, but still not concerned in the least bit, man. Like I said, 58K 3 weeks ago. We came a long way, almost hit 70K. I'm hearing lots and lots of talks in the market that people really feel this is going to be a last little dip before we actually rip. And they think it can happen pretty freaking quickly, guys. And I'm not selling right now. If anything, I'm loading the boat up. I'm buying some more. I'm sitting tight. You know, crypto does dip, man. If you can't handle these little 3 to 5% dips really fast like that, maybe you're over leveraged. Maybe you're trading with more than what you're willing to lose. Just be careful out there. This is what crypto does. It goes up, it goes down, but it always goes back to make new all-time high, guys. And you have to keep that perspective in mind when you're trading cryptocurrency. A lot of this is a long-term play, but you know, you can make quick, fast gains, definitely. And I do think that time is coming up still. You know, November is going to be a great month to close out. I think we'll start seeing those 100K levels. I think Plan B's prediction will be pretty spot on. And we're getting close to that time. Well, we got about 2.5 weeks left. We got Thanksgiving coming up. I'm thinking sometime after Thanksgiving, Bitcoin absolutely explodes. So with that time frame that I'm thinking of, to me personally, I'm running out of time for loading up the boat right now because, man, there's very little time before I believe Bitcoin rips and the altcoins really start ripping. We haven't seen Doge go since the beginning of the year. So I'm still expecting a massive move on Doge for the end of the year. XRP back to 113, guys. You know what happens, 113, 130. Don't sleep on XRP. Once again, you're getting another chance to load the boat. Solana 229, definitely taking a little bit of a beating today. Down almost 4% roughly. Shiba's down 4%. Ethereum's down almost 5%, a whopping 5%. But we'll touch base on the TA, get into the charts, and I'll show you some areas where I would get a little concerned, but not too concerned. Tulsa, what up, Maddie? What up, Aunt S? Good to see you in the chat, man. RW says, hope everyone doing okay. I hope everyone's doing fine too. Hope no one got liquidated off of this this crazy dip we just saw for Bitcoin, man. But good to see you in the chat, RW. What's up, Sanka? Well, oh, we all good. I'm hoping this is the last buying opportunity before next all-time highs. And I think that's what you're looking at, Sanka. Well, I really, truly do, man. I think this will be the last major, you can call it flash crash, whatever you want. You know, we're only down, you know, as of right now, 2.94% on the day. It just happened super freaking quick, man. Super fucking fast. So just hang tight, guys. I still got true conviction. I didn't sell a damn thing. Anything, I probably should have been buying some more, but I'm kind of waiting to see what happens here in the next overnight. So if you're worried about it, set your stop losses. Make sure you're trading on a platform that actually has stop losses. That way you're not getting screwed while you're sleeping. If you're that concerned about it, just make sure you do that. Let me check this real quick. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I gotta get this. Hey, thanks for hitting the like button too. Appreciate that, man. Y'all smashed the like button for me already. Let me put this little tweet out, man. Try to get some more people in here, and then we'll get to rocking doing some TA on all the charts, man. Let's see. We got Dogecoin trending. Bitcoin's not trending. Wow. Okay, cool. We got that taken care of. What's up, Kappa Jones? I see you down there, man. Let me start working my way down these comment lists. Then we'll break out some TA. What's up, Kella C? Crazy days, dude. JR Blanco, what's happening, my man? Good to see you in the chat. Hold on for dear life, dude. You already know what's happening, man. What's up, Benny? What's up, everyone? Yeah, I just bought a little more a couple hours ago. Hopefully you bought some Doge, man. I think Doge is a very good price right here at $24.95. If anything, tonight I might pick up some more Doge. Let's get here to the 1 minute chart. Kind of watch Bitcoin on the microscopic level right here. We got Dogecoin rocking on the left side of your screen. Let me widen this bar up so we can see some action. What's up, CP Trading? How you doing, man? Yeah, but Benny, you start getting that mindset, man. I feel you, dude. Yeah, you could have sold in the 30s, but you know, I feel you, man. But nobody knows. Like that's the thing. Any second now, this thing could start working its way back up. If that was the last dip to shake off the paper hands, you never know, man. We're gonna see what happens. I am expecting some pretty good pumps though to finish out November, man. One Shot says, I've been buying all day. People are scared. I'll buy in and get a better position. Yeah, now is the time if you want to take some dip buying. If you're a little scared, I totally understand, man. I totally understand. If you want to kind of wait this thing out, I do feel like you know, you've pretty much hit the bottom of this little crash, man. I don't think we'll see a double bottom down here again at 24.35 where we hit, but we respected that level of support perfectly right there. And I don't think we're heading for a 24.35 rebound. I don't think so. But if you're worried about it, maybe set your stop loss. That way you can sleep decent tonight. Fire sale Litecoin. What's up, Clown Baby? Litecoin 247. Definitely fire freaking Litecoin prices right there. Just signed a deal with Visa, dude. Gonna be absolutely amazing long-term hold. Make sure you're looking at Litecoin. That could be this. You could be looking at the last dip before the massive run up for the rest of the year. What's up, Pearl? I'm down 9K. I feel you, man. Ain't worried. I'm buying more. That dude is averaging down. He's an absolute G, my dude. Absolute G. Plan B still calling for Bitcoin 98K in November and 135 in the end of December. Yeah, man. Lots of whales, CP, man. Lots of whales are talking about this thing could pump a lot faster than what people are thinking. And, you know, next week we got Thanksgiving. Then we got the following week will be the last week of the year, last week of November. So I'm expecting it to start pumping soon, man. I really am. Kappa Jones, evening, sir. What's up, Moon Cheese? How you doing, man? Matty Charts, what's up, my dude? What's happening, Moon Cheese? Good to see you in the chat, man. I don't know if I've seen you in here before. I'm sorry if you have been, but man, if you could, Moon Cheese, hit that subscribe button for us, man. We greatly appreciate it, man. Welcome to the channel. Let me get this pulled up. All right. If Bitcoin doesn't hit 90K, I'll send Matt a brand new 60-inch TV and he can take a big ass hammer to it on live stream. Yeah. I don't know if I'll do that if it's brand new. I might hang it behind me on the wall right there. Boom, baby. It's going right there. What's up, West Side? We Smokes. You tripping, man? You worried about your crypto? Don't be, my man. This is what happens in the crypto space, man. It is a little bit of a crash, man. I'm not trying to downplay what just happened. People got liquidated and shit got real, man. Shit got really real, really fast, man. So just be careful, guys. I do think that was the bottom of what we concerned, man. I'm not selling out. I'm not offloading anything. Doge is still at a killer price, 24.96. I mean, we came from 27, 26. You know, you lost 2 cents. It's really not that much. Let's see where XRP was right before that crash right there. XRP. So before we started rocking down, XRP was around that 118, 117 range. So, you know, lost about 4 cents on XRP. It is down about 6%, but that just tells you right there, anything under 115 XRP, I'm scooping up all the time, bro, dude. Averaging in on XRP. If you don't know how to get it, get it on KuCoin, swap it for USDT. That is the way to go. I wonder what the price of Litecoin will be at the end of 2022. I start thinking, man, anywhere between $500 to $1,000, 500 to $1,000 on Litecoin, dude. That Visa partnership with Litecoin, where you can get your Litecoin card and anywhere they accept Visa, is absolutely freaking amazing, dude. And people aren't, you know, taking full attention to Litecoin, dude. There's a reason why Litecoin was pumping to almost $300 the other day, and I do think it was a little bit of insider trading going on. People kind of knew the deal was coming with Litecoin, so people, you know, pumped it up. But Litecoin's a solid ass play. If you don't have some Litecoin in your portfolio, you really need to look at what you're doing with the investments that you have. Litecoin is a solid investment to really diversify your portfolio. I understand it's down the rest of with the rest of the market right here at 3%, 4%, 3%, 2.82. Doge down 2.82. But Litecoin is going to make some pretty good moves this bull cycle, man. I truly believe it. That XRP, Doge, pretty much every crypto on the top of the screen right here. We had AVAX rocking at $100 the other night. You know, One Shot GT called it. We picked some up at 55. You know, we're still sitting up tight, man. So these dips, we're not too worried about it, because the longer you're in the crypto space, you know, these dips don't affect you, man. If you have that long-term mentality for, you know, buying and holding. You know, some people argue, yeah, I could have sold out at 30, bought back in right now at 24. I hear you, Benny. I do feel you, man. You get caught up doing that stuff, though. You really can, man. I've done, it's happened to me before. I'm speaking from experience. So that's why, you know, it's best just to dollar cost average, man, whenever you can. Don't sell for L, dude. Crypto always goes back. We're not hit the bear market yet. That's not here. Even a drop below 60K, you still got really good support at 58. So do not worry, my friend. Yeah, I've been around sub a couple weeks ago. Just don't chat much. Love the stream. Hey, thank you, Moon Cheese, dude. Appreciate you, man. West Side, I don't have enough crypto to be worried about. Hey, thanks for tuning in anyway, my dude. That's my dude right there. Is this dip from the infrastructure scam bill what caused this dip this time? Possibly, man. I did have an article pulled up. Let me get to it right here. We'll hop into it. So U.S. President Joe Biden has signed a landmark $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill into law, which includes tax reporting provisions that apply to cryptocurrency. The bill is expected to tackle nearly every facet of American infrastructure, including public transportation, roads, bridges, ports, railways, power grids, broadband internet, and water and sewage. The package includes $550 billion in new spending meant to repair and enhance the country's infrastructure, which has languished as investments have slowed. The bill will be significant for the crypto industry as part of its revenue-raising provisions. The infrastructure included new definitions for brokers among cryptocurrency network participants. The bill is mainly meant for the IRS to have well-defined definitions, but ultimately it's risk asking network actors to behave as node operators. In order to report identifying information for crypto transactions that they have no way of gathering. Justin Bannon, co-founder of Boson Protocol, a decentralized commerce protocol, stressed the need for sensible regulations for technology in order to protect consumers and users. Bannon claimed the bill needs to be smart and informed by people who understand the threats, opportunities, and economical impacts presented by the technologies of cryptocurrencies themselves. Let's get further into the meat and potatoes right here. Let's see what they're talking about. There was a part in here. Let me see if I can find it. So pretty much, yeah, there's a crypto broker reporting requirement into, he's signing it into law, which he did sign up. The news broke 4 hours ago. So where were we? 4 hours ago off this big candle right here. Do think it possibly had to do with this drop. But there's already some senators already trying to amend the bill right here. Let's see if I can pull up that information for y'all. Give me 1 second. So wow, the infrastructure bill makes crypto reporting failures a felony. Don't know how that's gonna hold up. Let's see. So taxes should be really fun. I was actually talking to Bulldog, man. We're gonna be pushing out. We're gonna try to push out some tax information for you, for everybody. Because this tax season is gonna be crazy, man. Especially if you're trading cryptocurrencies. Bunch of new laws. I still have to read all this, man. And that's gonna take some time to actually get through there and actually read this stuff. So I do think that was a big part of it. Getting a super chat real quick. What's up, D Grave? What's up, D Grave? Thank you very much for coming by and showing some love, my dude. Dropping that $20 super chat, my man. Appreciate it, man. Good to see you in the chat, my man. So yeah, I do think what happened today was a bit of what stemmed off the infrastructure bill. There's nothing else, you know, just the whales playing off it, playing off the FUD, playing off the emotion. You know, they dropped the price like I mean, let me just get right here. Those steep drops that happen really fast. This was let me show you right here. This was 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It dropped from 117 all the way to 114. Hit a low of 113 within that window. So they definitely do beat it down, man. Try to get people to sell. People get liquidated. That's what I think sped up the process on this little drop right here. But everything's red today. It is starting to bounce back, trying to recover right here. 61,740 on Bitcoin, 113 XRP, 24.95 Doge. Shiba trying to climb back up. Solana hanging tight at 228. Ethereum 4,300. That's where we like to see it hang above this level right here. Litecoin 247 and AVAX 90, which was trading at $100 just a day or two ago. So let's see. Does anybody goes to Bourbon Street? Yeah, we got a couple of people from New Orleans, man. I haven't been down there in years. What's up, Naomi? How you doing? Roscoe Studios, man. This dude liking the dip, man. No need to worry. No need to worry. I'm not worried at all, man. You know, it is concerning for people, you know, who are trading on margin, man, who do get liquidated right here. That sucks, man. That really does freaking suck. I feel for you. You know, people lose their trading accounts over this. So you have to be careful. Kellis, he says, man, we all going to jail, man. We're all going to have felony charges on us. Look at Crypto Whale on Twitter. He thinks he can drop Bitcoin below 30K. What's his name? Crypto Whale. Let's check out what's going on in the crypto space on Twitter. Let's get this popping. Let's see. Tama Kitty coin devs have exited, scammed, and stolen over 2.5 million from investors on BCS. No way. Oh, I had a buddy play that. I hope he got out. I'm gonna have to call him after the stream. "45 minutes ago, breaking, JP Morgan has filed a massive 1.62.2 trillion lawsuit against Tesla, which accuses Elon Musk of breaching a contract related to stock warrants after his share price soared." I'm not seeing too much. I'm not seeing what you're rapping about, but let's check out Will Alerts. Kind of get an idea what happened right here. See, we're at 3 minutes. Ethereum shorted. 28 minutes. Bitcoin shorted. Liquidated. 31 minutes. BTC. AVAX shorted. How you gonna short AVAX, man? What's wrong with people? Yep, 33 minutes. BNB shorted. Ethereum shorted. Ethereum. Solana. Dot. AVAX. Dot. That's just showing you the shorts are still alive, man. They're in the game. They're playing around with the markets, man. They're taking full advantage of any little FUD they can get right here. They didn't get the close below 65 yesterday, which probably ate them alive, man. To tell you the truth. So I would hang tight, man. I would sit tight. That's it, Roscoe Studios. What's up, Just Bum? How you doing, man? Already got 2 though. What happened to GGPI? Let's see. You referring to the stock right here, Naomi? Let me know in the chat, and I'll take a look at it. 30K, we're still up. Yeah, I think, dude, we'll be going much higher before we start talking about any dips to within that range, man. You know, Bitcoin does technically lose 80% of its value on these major run-ups, so we're not there yet, man. We're gonna be a lot higher before we see that retracement. You know, I'm still rocking tight with Plan B. My prediction is, you know, somewhere, you know, right around that 100,000 range into November, which is only a couple weeks away. And I understand, man. People are saying, hey, we're seeing this drop from 61,000 right now. Well, hey, does everybody remember the day a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, where Bitcoin pumped 10,000 in one direction, you know, within 30 minutes, 1 hour? Stuff like this happens, man. That is the risk that you run playing the crypto space. That's why it's super important. Don't trade on margin. If you're a retail investor, don't trade on margin. Be very careful with your crypto. Now, if you find a nice, really nice ascending level of support and you want to do a quick swing trade, you know, 10x, yeah, sure, go for it. But have your stop losses set, man, because people get liquidated and lose lots of freaking money, man. What's up, Al Rod? What's happening, man? Feels like Black Friday, baby. Buying up the dip on sale. Hey, I hear you, my dude. Buying the freaking dip, dude. I didn't quite buy nothing. I bought Doge the other day when it dipped pretty hard. So I'm still sitting on that 25 cents. I still have my original position around, you know, 4 or 5 cents. But I have been buying these dips. I'll most likely, you know, I'm a little hesitant right here just to see what happens. But I feel pretty good that dip we just saw right here. Let me pull this up. The 61, 113. Let me hop this up. See, might be forming a little double bottom here on Bitcoin. Coming up to a critical level right here, quite honestly. Let's see what happens. Pretty critical level right here on Bitcoin. While I'm sitting over here yapping off at the mic, we're sitting off a major level right here off a double bottom. Let's hope we get this double bottom and we actually hit a pretty good bounce right here. What's up, Pratham? I think it has a little bit to do with the infrastructure, man. That's my opinion. The shorts are taking full advantage. Yesterday, they didn't get the close below 65,000. You know, probably took it personal, man. They're just showing us that we're here. GGPI. Let me check it out. So, hit a high of 1641 and it dropped about $2. Let me see if I can find some information on it. Throw that Doge chart back up real quick. GGPI. So guys, if you just tune in for the first time, welcome to Mass Market. We live stream, you know, 7 nights a week over here. Usually 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe button, join the family. We got a link to 100% free for free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. Make sure to check that out as well. Is Polestar the next Tesla? There's no real news about. They got why the shares popped, but they're not talking about why it dropped. It is an EV company. I think you just got some hype that popped into it. I think it's a long-term hold. I think EV stocks will be hot for the rest of the year. I would continue, you know, I would hold it. Drop below 13 bucks. I don't know what your average is, Naomi, but I would kind of hang on to it as of right now if you're still sitting up. Should I add more XRP or wait more? Dude, XRP, while you might be able to wait, is still dropping a little bit. Down 7% today, 112. Anything under 115, dude, is absolute killer buy on XRP. I would not feel bad at all picking up a lot more XRP right here at this level. So we are starting to, get a little more sell-off right here. Doge 2470. Bitcoin's, approaching that 60,000 level right here. We're not quite breaking these tops right here. Working our way back up the chain right now. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we did hit 60,674. So we're not out this downtrend quite yet. Here's what I'm looking at. A significant break when I'm doing my TA breaking down the charts is a 5-minute candle opening and closing above or below a level of support or resistance. You're not quite getting that just yet. So we still got a chance to bounce right here. We want this candle to, of course, close above 61,108, but it's looking like it's trying to get underneath it. So you still have strong major support at 60,000 on Bitcoin right here. Doge 2454 low right here off that candle 2 minutes ago, looking to bounce. We need to start breaking these tops to signify a true reversal, which 25 cents is going to be the level we're looking for. One shot says I'm sitting hella tight on DOT, going to rip to 100 plus. Hey man, if you were buying DOT 2 right now, where's DOT at? Let's check it out. AVAX 89. If you were buying a couple weeks ago with us, I can't say it enough. $55, man. We were sitting up 100, almost 100% on that play. Let's check out DOT. Polkadot 41.84, down 10%. I like that, man. When you start getting those 10% down days, that's a great buying opportunity. So look, man, people can get nervous and worked up about these dips, but honestly, it's gives you more opportunity to load the boat for a little bit cheaper. We talked about dips on this channel for a while, and it was rough, man. Like 3-4 fucking months where everything just kept falling flat on his fucking face, and like I'm sitting here every night like Doge is going to $1. Doge, it still hasn't moved, but I'm still here, man. I'm gonna be here till we see that point happen, and years beyond that, man. We're gonna make some nice tendies. What's about to happen in crypto space? Let me see. Supposed to be a new SPAC. Hey, that could be a high play though. I would hang tight. Appreciate you tuning in, Roscoe Studios, man. Always a pleasure to see you, man. I bought some 15 XYO coins on this dip. 5 cents is cheap. Let's check out where it's at, man. XYO crypto. What's up, Ari? What's happening, man? Good to see you, dude. Thanks for tuning in. Good to see you, my man. All right, where am I at? Where am I at? XYO crypto. Let's see what's happening, man. Taking a second to pull it up. Yeah, down 10%, man. Let me pull this up over here. So we are down 10%, looking like DOT kind of, down at 5 cents, man. Down 7 days. Yeah, we had to break to the downside along with the rest of crypto. It was sitting at 7 cents just on the 12th. So might be a really good investment opportunity on XYO right here, man. I can't fault you for that. You didn't quite break that low right here at 5 cents, so definitely working your way back, my friend. I like it. Goodbye, man. One shot GT. That dude's coming in hot. Thank you for that $5 super chat, my man. And making that little kid dance upon my screen, dude. Thank you for the love, man. Gotta turn the echo off. See, I remembered. So what we got right here? Bitcoin is still hanging just briefly under 61,000. Trying to pop back. I do think we'll see a pretty good move here shortly, man. Might be on a live stream tonight. You know, will we get that 60 retest? It's possible. It's possible. You're starting to break that double bottom setup you have right here, but let's get everything pumping, man. I do think you're gonna find pretty good support. Thank you, One Shot GT, once again for that $5 make you holla super chat, my man. Let's see. Kappa Jones says, just read where AMC is going to start accepting Shiba through BitPay. Yeah. That's cool. I like it, man. I like that news. It's positive. I'll take it. Anything positive right now, man. I will 100% take it. What I do like is the Amazon deal through BitPay. That's what I do like. Let me pull that up for everybody. That is absolutely big news. So you got a couple different news pieces out right now. BitPay's Dogecoin Amazon announcement fails to send good boy higher. What's going on? What's moving the mean currency has fallen 3.45% in 7-day trading period against larger cryptocurrencies. Sorry about that, guys. Since 2021, Doge has risen 4,530%. The coin's 90-day loss has amounted to 18.62%, but it has risen 10% in the last 30 days. Why is it moving? Doge has been green alongside major cryptocurrencies, which trade higher. The price of global currency market rose 1.23% over 24 hours to 2.87 trillion at the press time of this release. Doge was among the most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter at press time as coin trends data, which I do use that. I started looking up coin trends. And that does give you relative information to what's going on in the market right now. So definitely, you can check that out. It kind of tells you what's trending in the markets and what's going on. Doge right here, looking for that double bottom, 24.35. We hit 45, we're bouncing. So I'm keeping an eye on it, trying to read this article to you. So bear with me. Bitcoin received the Taproot upgrade on Sunday, which we all watched here on the live stream. This is the first major upgrade to the Bitcoin's network in 4 years. And it's also constructed as positive. Meanwhile, whales are moving large amounts of the coin, as per Coin Quant CEO stated today. On Sunday, BitPay, a blockchain payment company, said that a blog post informed its users that it could be issued crypto debit cards which support Doge to make purchases on Amazon platform. The post covering the Amazon Dogecoin announcement by BitPay was upvoted 51 times on r/Doge, a Reddit discussion forum of the meme cryptocurrency. The BitPay announcement spurred a discussion related to Doge price action on Reddit. Why is this news we didn't go up? Because this doesn't mean what people think it means. What it means is Amazon accepts USD payments for BitPay. They don't care what happens before that. BitPay sells your Doge payment and converts it to USD automatically. So we need to really get plus maybe Doge mass adoption. That's what we need, fucking mass adoption, and it's coming, man. So 60,612 as of right now. Christopher Thomas, my dude, thank you for subscribing to Mass Market. Appreciate it very much, man. We got a link to 100% free for free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. Make sure you check that out as well too, my friend. Welcome to the family. What's up, Matt? How you doing? I'm doing great, bro. Even through this dip, man, I'm sitting tight. I'm loving life, bro. I'm probably gonna buy a dip tonight. Just being honest with you. If you're worried about it, set your stop loss. Make sure you trade on a platform that has stop losses. Lots of people got liquidated today. If you're a retail investor, be very careful out there if you're trading on high margin accounts, man. Definitely important to do. Tell you what, let me throw this up real quick. Let me change this up. Give me 1 second. All right. XRP hold. XRP 100% hold, my friend. in my opinion, XRP is going to be one of the biggest movers of the year. Besides, Bitcoin, it's going to be right up there with Bitcoin and the rest of it, man. XRP is a killer buy right now. 112, dude. It's going back to 130. Break above 130. You're going back to 135, 140. I don't know what to say, man. I've been preaching XRP for a while now, and it does go to 130 and come back to 115. When you have these super big crashes like we're seeing right now, you do dip below it, 112, 108 maybe. Let's see what happens tomorrow, man. If we have another red day tomorrow, we could be looking at a different story. If Bitcoin drops below 58K, you could be looking at a different story. But I do think this is one of the last big dips before the major rip that we're thinking is coming, which is that ultimately that Plan B prediction of 100K Bitcoin by the end of November, which we currently only have about 2.5 weeks left to go right now, my friends. So starting to get a little green pumping into Bitcoin. Let's see what happens here in the next hour or so. Kind of get a feel for what's going to happen for the rest of the night. Shiba dipping below that 5000 range right now. Even Solana, look, taking a beating, man. If you've been following Mass Market, man, we called Solana at $67. We were late to the game, but rightfully so. It ran to 227, and we could have picked it up a lot cheaper, but it hit the radar at 67 for the NFT play usage for Solana. So definitely made some good calls. If you've been trading with us for a while, you're not even worried about these dips right now. Doge still hasn't moved yet with the rest of the market. So I'm still expecting a pretty good pump off of Doge. I think it's going to be off this next run up we have here on Bitcoin, which we should start seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum smash some new all-time highs. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you guys right here, I think we're setting up for a beautiful bear trap that's going to, dude, it's going to stick it to the fucking shorts. They're going to get fucking annihilated. And I think that's what we're doing. I think we're setting up for a big cup and handle, and we're taking off, dude. That's what I think is about to happen. And of course, we'll find out. But that's just my opinion. I think we're setting up for a nice bear trap right here across the entire market. So what's up, Jay Rogers? How you doing, man? Cheers. Thank you for tuning in. So how is everybody doing tonight? You got some questions? Come up here and ask me, man. Feel free to hop in the chat. If y'all new to the channel, gotta pump it, man. Hit that subscribe button for us. Everything we do over here is free. We'd love to have you join the community, man. We also got the 100% free Discord pinned to the top of the chat, man. We'd absolutely love you to join the family over here. Pretty tight little group, man. Call some great freaking plays. All right, so let's go over to a new spectrum right here. I had Mara pulled up, article on Mara. M-A-R-A. There we go. Let's get down the chart. What's Doge doing? What the dog doing? 24.44 was the low right here. I'll watch Bitcoin right here because that's pretty much gonna tell you what the market's doing. Marathon Digital Holdings. So I'm gonna pop it right here with that ticker symbol. So down 27%, man. Absolutely getting annihilated here in the aftermarkets too. I'm sure the shorts hopped on this thing, but you got to be careful, man. This is not necessarily a bad thing what's going on with Mara stock. So today, Marathon announced that the company is looking to raise as much as $500 million via convertible debt. They unsecured senior convertible notes that would be due in 2026 and provide an option for additional $75 million in notes to be acquired by initial purchases. So basically, they're trying to raise money right now to buy more Bitcoin. Like, it just blows my mind, dude. Bitcoin is gonna explode soon. I think they're trying to raise more money right now because they know what's about to happen. This is groundbreaking news. Most crypto miners to date have relied on equity markets to raise capital. In this case of Marathon, they are in pretty much uncharted territory. They're doing something no mining company does. And there are a number of investors and analysts who suspect that equity offering would be on the table at some point. However, influencers like MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, and all them noted that such a move has not been factored into anyone's model. Thus, a bullish stance for investors can take on this news. So, yeah, you saw a big drop. They're trying to, raise a whole bunch of money to buy Bitcoin. I don't find that's a bad thing. I really don't. And if that plays out well for all the people still holding Mara, that thing is going to absolutely rocket. I might actually start to look to pick up some. I think you might still have a red day tomorrow. I think the shorts are attacking it. They're hopping on it. really harsh downtrend, and I'm gonna wait till we start breaking some tops, working your way back up. You see a trend change, and when I mean break some more tops, when you start working your way back up, let's get to the 30-minute chart. So you had this real hard sell-off, so you're waiting for a pretty good bounce right here and start breaking some of these tops. You got support or resistance now at 60 bucks. So it did break way below that, but you can see we ran up all the way to 83.45 when Bitcoin was rocking to 69,000. So you are in some bearish territory here on the 30-minute. Let's check out the 4-hour chart. You're still in bullish territory. Look at this thing, man. It is hitting that 50, dropping right below it. Where's that 50 at? 57.04. You're below it. Will you go down to touch the 200? It's possible, man. Most stocks will always go back to touch the 200. So I'm gonna watch it tomorrow. I think you'll have a little bit more of some bleeding to do from there, but it's getting to a point where it's gonna be some very good buying opportunities, because if they do raise the capital and they do put 500 million or so into Bitcoin investment, and this thing rockets to let's say, you know, 100,000 in the next 2 weeks, man, that is gonna be awesome gains for its investors, man. Awesome gains. Just holding XRP in spot. Yeah, I'm holding on to my XRP, man. That's not going anywhere. Yeah, just a little bit turbo, man. Turbo fire, man. Appreciate it, bro. I'm sitting tight. Look at Wemix. It's been on fire. Too expensive for my metaverse stock. Wemix. Let me check it out, man. Let me see. Wemix is up 14.92% today, sitting at $15.03. The chart looks very good, man. Yeah, it's been pumping. Definitely been pumping. It is up today. Market rank is 209. The volume on it is up 28%. I'll keep this on my radar, dude. I'll have to do some more research on it. Appreciate it. Quesadilla, what's happening, my man? 27% off discount. Get the prices while it's still cheap. Quesadilla. See you new to the channel, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for us. Join the family. Let me pop back up Doge real quick, and then I'll get to the rest of the comments. See where we at. Bitcoin's starting to move here, guys. Definitely looking better. Definitely looking better. All right, where we at? Hey, buddy, I just bought 5K Litecoin. If it crashes below 200, I'll buy 5K more. Can't be a paper-handed pansy. I have some practice for college finals tomorrow. Wish me luck. Hey, clubbing, man. 100% wish you luck, dude. I think that's a great opportunity, what you're doing with Litecoin. The partnership with, you know, Visa, dude, is absolutely second to freaking none. And I do think it's going to take a little while to play out to its full potential. But as soon as, a couple years down the road, dude, lots of people are going to be paying with Litecoin everywhere you go with your Visa, MasterCard. Very good opportunity, dude. I think that BitPay information with Amazon and that Litecoin partnership with Visa is just the beginning to what you're going to see here in the future, man. Lots and lots of people are going to be spending crypto all over the place, and it's just going to be great for utility. So right here, pretty good point on Bitcoin. We start breaking this top right here at 61. We could start moving again tonight here on the stream. So that might have been just this little flash crash we saw tonight. Could be over with if we really start making some moves. I think a break above 61 right here, a solid break off the 5-minute, where we'd have a 5-minute candle open and close above it, we'd really start moving back, working our way back up to that 61.8 to that 62 range right here as of short. So I'll go ahead and pop this on the pop this right here. Not gonna get it perfect. So next channel is 62,000. Then we got these little tops right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust a line right there, because for some reason Webull likes to take away my charts. We'll do 62,850. We'll leave it there. And man, I understand we got a long way to go. Work our way back up. 64,357. Let me pop a line right here. 64. So yeah, we do have a long way to go. But remember, Bitcoin moved 10,000 in 1 hour about a month ago. So I'm not too concerned about it. Pearl says this guy knows what he's doing. Litecoin will reach $300 as soon as Bitcoin goes back to 66. Yeah, it's gonna start pumping, man. Let's hope tomorrow is a green day for the crypto space, man. That's really what I'm hoping for. I really do think we'll have a pretty decent sideways to maybe a little slightly green day. Hopefully that was the end of this panic stuff that just went on tonight. I think you had FUD hit the market with the infrastructure, crypto taxes and stuff like that. But I think, you had some whales sell out, shorts hopped on it, and the accumulation of people getting liquidated that actually led to a snowball effect to which, is leading us down to the 60,481 range right here. Oh, man. What do you think about XRD? Let me check out. So it's currently sitting at 53 cents, down 11% today. Market rank is 2,897. I don't hear too many people coming here and ask about this, man. To tell you the truth, I haven't quite looked at the charts, but the past 3 months it's been pumping, man. Is this thing at an all-time high? Yes, it just came off an all-time high around 64 cents. So I'd be careful with this. Like if I was trading this, I'd probably set my stop loss around 50 cents. Hopefully you got in before this major pump. But it doesn't look bad, man. It's only showing me right here. Bitfinex is where you can pick this up. If I'm playing anything with an X in it right now, personally, man, I'm picking up XRP. That is my play. XRP is going to do some pretty amazing stuff this year, man. And what happened in 2017, XRP led the charge for the rest of the crypto space. So, if things line up, work out perfectly, might do it again. But look, we only got 2 weeks left in the month before we start seeing that Plan B prediction, which, dude, we're still holding tight. We're still above 60,000. We're starting to get this little pump right here. Let's get to the 1 minute candle. So we're testing that 61 range. We hit 61.57, getting a little rejection right there. Definitely trying to work its way back up right now. I think a little break to the upside could happen any second right here. We can move pretty quickly back up if we get above that 50 exponential moving average off that 1 minute, 61.275. So I think that's going to be our next spot that we're going to aim for right here if we do end up getting that break. Doge not quite going back, hitting that 24.35, starting to climb. Got quite a few 1 minute candles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mixed with a little red right here, but next candle starting out green. Look for the 4.75 right here. Coming up close right now. Crypto could start pumping right here tonight, working its way back up. Bitcoin only down 3%, 3.8% in 1 day is actually, it's a big move for crypto for Bitcoin, but nonetheless, dude, we've seen bigger drops than this. I'm not concerned. I'm going to continue to hold, possibly look to buy the dip. We might be missing the bottom right here. It's looking pretty good. If we continue climbing right here, and get back to that 25 before we get a rejection, that's going to be super bullish. Bitcoin looking to break out right here above that 61 range, 61.2. So we're heading for that 61.275 retest right here. Maybe a rejection point. Let's see what Doge is doing. Doge kind of moving a little bit ahead of Bitcoin right here on the 1 minute chart. So let's see what happens. What's up, LT? LT says, I love the dip. Don't you love the dips, man? Best time to pick up and add to your portfolio, man. That is the thing right now. I'll be looking to possibly hop in on these dip buys tonight and keep adding, man. We all know where it's going, and I still do believe in Plan B's prediction, man. I do think we'll be sitting tight around 98 to 100K in November, which is only a couple weeks away. Plus, we have a holiday in between. We got Black Friday, Thanksgiving coming up. Be some cool stuff happening, man. Lots of whales. They're still talking. Nobody's worried right now, man. Even a break below 60K, guys, we got strong support at 58,000. So just keep that in mind. Just the mass adoption, dude. I like the whole community with XRP, man. It's just, dude, it's gonna do some pretty amazing stuff, dude. Mass adoptions from the banks. It's just XRP is gonna, I think it's gonna be $5-10 end of the year. That's my prediction for it. That's where I think it's heading. I think once banks really start picking this thing up, and once we get out this lawsuit that we're dealing with, it's gonna absolutely explode, man. We got Cardano, man. Something we haven't talked about quite a while on the stream. We've been picking this up over here at Matt's Market for 85 cents. It's currently sitting at 193, down 4%, down with the rest of the market. But anything I'm thinking right now underneath $2 for ADA is a really decent buy. You know, once Bitcoin starts moving, which, you know, quite possibly start working its way to that 100K level within the next 2 weeks, it's really going to start lifting Cardano back, you know, 230, 240 range. That's where I want to see it at, where I'm going to, you know, feel a lot more bullish about it heading back toward that $3 range. That's what happens to it, though. It runs up, stays stagnant for a little while, and then looks to make another move. Most of the time, how these crypto plays work out, right when you're getting ready to sell the thing, that's when it goes, man. That's where the little saying comes from. He sold, pamp it. It's usually what happens, man. When people are getting fed up with the crypto, you know, it keeps dipping. That's when people are like, I'm gonna get out. It's not doing nothing. Then it pumps, you know, 50%. So just be careful out there, guys. Hold true to your plays. It'll be fine. What's up, Brian? How you doing, my man? Got Megatron in the chat, dude. What's up, Vlad? Good to see you, man. Dude calling out that XRP. Hey, man, I'm surprised I'm barely discovering your channel. You have awesome energy. We cover crypto market in class tomorrow. I'm going to suggest we watch your live chart. Yeah, 100%, dude. I would appreciate it, man. Really would. Appreciate the love, dude. If y'all need anything, let me know. Club and join the Discord, dude. 100% free. For free. Make sure you check it out, man. Benny says ADA chilling under 2. Goodbye. 100%, dude. Anything under $2 on ADA, 100% a great buy right now. So I think this is a great opportunity, even for new people stepping into the market. Why, you know, new people step in every day, but like people are stepping in right at this point. It's actually a really good opportunity, depending on what kind of information they're gathering. If they're just going in blind, best of luck. But hopefully people are doing their research. Now, I think right now would be a perfect time. Let's hope for a green day tomorrow. Let's hope we go to bed tonight, wake up to Bitcoin back at 63,000, have a pretty good pump overnight. It can happen, man. It really can. And, you know, while this dip scared a lot of people, if you've been trading crypto for a while, these dips like what we're seeing right now are absolutely nothing, man. And, you know, if you're over concerned about it, either two things: you're over leveraged, you're trading with more money than what you're willing to lose, or you're just not familiar with the way the crypto works. You know, Bitcoin can move 10K in 1 hour and freak everybody out. So you just got to hold true to your conviction, hold true to your play. If you got that long-term mentality of, hey, I'm buying, holding, you know, sometimes that's the best way to trade in the crypto space. I know plenty of guys who are sitting up right now who bought 4 years ago, they don't even care what's happening right now because they're sitting up so high. You know, they have the mindset of they can see through all the BS and they know where Bitcoin's going. So nice, Club. And sound like you have, yeah, 100%, Benny. Yeah, I wish I was 18 years old or a couple years ago, you know, investing in everything. Wish I would have started earlier is what I'm saying. Gito, what's up? I'm hoping that, you know, 60,000 for late right now is going to be the low right here. That's what I'm hoping for. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, man. Greatly appreciate it. I'm hoping for 60,000. Hopefully this was the bottom, 60,481. We're starting to climb back up a little bit right now. Not quite getting over this top, which I'd like to see it that happen, that break above 61,221 and hold that range. But you know, if it does break below 60,000, I do think 58 is going to be that stopping point. Just for some reason, going back on the charts, get back, you got 59, and then look at all these tops right here. 59, I would say 59 would be the lowest. You got really strong support at 59, but you also have really strong support at 60,000, man. So that's where I think we're gonna go. We almost hit that 60,000, but we hit 6481. So where we at? 60,980. Hopefully that was it for the night, man. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, Polkadot's down about 10%, man. Yeah, 10.5%. Might be a really good buying opportunity for Polkadot, man. Polkadot's gonna be over $100 this year. When everything's said and done and the lights turn off on this bull market, Polkadot's gonna be over $100. LT says I'm 18. Hey, there you go, my man. So you got it made, dude. You're in a freaking crypto YouTube live chat, being 18 years old, man. You're doing good stuff, man. I know a guy who looks at his portfolio like once a month. That's what I'm saying, man. If you've been in since the last bull cycle, you're not concerned at all, man. You're really not. Let it dip more. Yeah, it's a good mindset too, man. You know, just buy the dip, dude. Hopefully it's done. Hopefully that was it. You know, what I was gathering from the markets, why this was all happening. You know, lots of big people came out. They were talking about, you know, what's going on with the crypto space. Lots of big whales are thinking this is going to be the last major dip before, you know, that Plan B prediction comes true, which, you know, I'm holding a lot of weight to Plan B. They've been pretty spot on with their price predictions. You know, lots of people, you know, we've been talking about this for months. We'll see Bitcoin 100K before the end of the year. I still think that's going to hold true, man. And that leaves a pretty tight window, even for the Plan B predictions, only 2.5 weeks away. So, quesadilla. It's all good, my man. It's all good, dude. Benny says I'm 40, but I love me some crypto. That is it, my friend. Let me break this out real quick. So Satoshi's 64 billion Bitcoin stake is the focal point of a Florida trial. Here's what's going on. The family of deceased man is claiming their family member helped create Bitcoin. The identity of Bitcoin's creator has long been a point of interest. The family is suing for half of his estate, which is valued over 64 billion. The mystery behind the creator of Bitcoin and their 64 billion stake has spawned a court case in Florida. The family of deceased man David Kleiman is claiming their family member helped create the popular digital currency and is suing Kleiman's alleged business partners in the endeavor, Craig Wright, for half of the 64 billion stake. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on, man. What's going on with this little lawsuit they have going on in Florida? The identity of Bitcoin's creator, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, has long been a point of major interest, especially as their personal wealth continues to grow. Earlier this month, the cryptocurrency hit an all-time high above 69,000. There's also some talks about revealing who it was. I read an article earlier. That's not significant, man. You know, people would like to know, but what is this? JP Morgan doubles down on Bitcoin price prediction of 146K. This is a major bank. Global investment bank JP Morgan has doubled down on its Bitcoin price prediction of 146K. Bank analysts explain that the price of the cryptocurrency will reach that level if the volatility subsides and institutional investors start investing in Bitcoin more than gold in their portfolios, which I think that's going to happen, man. That could be what absolutely takes us off, man. Institutions start hopping in, especially right now. You know, they don't want to buy Bitcoin at 60,000. You know, they were buying it at 26,000, the smart ones. So if they get a little dip right here before the rip, might be what we're looking at, man. IOTX, very good play, dude. Very good long-term play, Vlad. I like it, dude. I'm pretty sure it's probably on sale right now. Ethereum 42, dude, getting hammered, man. Getting hammered. Doge climbing above 2450 though. See, we hit that 24.76 range. That 7.5 we talked about got rejected. So need to keep watching it. Bitcoin looking like it's wanting to do another double bottom, which that's what I'm talking about right here. When you're looking at the charts, you want to break this top and start working your way back up to signify a true bottom right here. 60,481. So didn't quite get it yet. Trying to come back up, not quite hitting that double bottom. Let's see what happens for the next couple 1 minute candles right here. See this right here. Clubbing, that's funny. Apparently he has a stake worth 64 billion. That's a pretty good stake, man. Do you think Bitcoin can hit the 100K price prediction this year? Yeah, dude. I think you'll be seeing 100K in like 2 weeks, man. And I'll be here. You can come rubbing it all in my face, dude, if it doesn't happen. But I'm holding tight, man. I think you'll start seeing it within the next 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, end of November, start of December. What's up, Solo? Welcome to Mass Market, dude. Hope you hit that subscribe button for us. Solo is asking, why is the market dumping? I think it's an effect of the infrastructure bill with the crypto regulations toppled on the shorts hopping on any FUD you can get right now. And then bundle that together with liquidations that just happened throughout the market, and you got Bitcoin at 60,715, my man. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, man. Appreciate it. We also got a link to 100% free for free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. Make sure you take full advantage of that as well. Clubman says, I think 87 to 90K and holds 85K stable. I would take that for November, man. 100%. El Salvador is crying at volatility. Last I was reading though, for El Salvador's, they were they like it, man. Let's see if they're talking about anything on the Bitcoin spectrum. What does Taproot mean for Bitcoin investors? What do we have here? El Salvador pours Bitcoin profits into health and education amid ongoing Chivo wallet fraud. When was this posted? That was November 5th. That's an old article. I haven't heard too much from El Salvador about Bitcoin though, as of late. If you let someone else hold the coins and is now trying to sue, I don't see how that works. Should have kept access to the coins. Let's see. Yeah, the dude climbing passed away, man. I think his family is fighting for his stake, which is a massive amount, dude. So I'm gonna keep everybody up to date on it. Hey, you never know, Benny. Or they'll borrow money. Yeah, we'll have to see, man. What's up, music group? How you doing, man? El Salvador doesn't want Bitcoin. Are you ignoring the protest? They have forced to accept it. can't just force people to accept your cryptocurrency at gunpoint, then claim they like it. Look, man, I'm not there, but you know, I've heard reports that people don't like it, do like it. 100%. I thought the El Salvador whole story was BS for the crypto space, because El Salvador is the most corrupt country in the world, dude. So like, I'm hearing reports that people do like it. They got free Bitcoin for it. I don't like the whole aspect of the corruption. You know, I'm not there to say if they, you know, being held at gunpoint, stuff like that, dude. I don't know, but I don't like the corruption with the country, man. I didn't think it was good for cryptocurrency. I would like to see bigger countries that have decent governments really start accepting it. I have no clue, man, how they're supposed to prove it's him. They did say right here, the civil case. So basically, a guy named Craig Stephen Wright, a man who claims to be the creator of Bitcoin since 2016. But there were some early crypto miners into Bitcoin. One guy passed away. The family's suing for it. We'll keep y'all up to date. We don't quite know what's actually happening as of right now. It's going to be in litigation for quite some time. Yeah, you never could tell. Let's see. It is an experiment. It's still an experiment. I didn't like it for the fact that I felt like they were going to be corrupt with the, you know, add corruption to the cryptocurrency platforms. And it's still yet to be seen, man. Still yet to be freaking seen. So what we got going on right here? 60,561 on Bitcoin, 2449 Doge, XRP at 111, continuing to drop. So definitely getting juicy right here on XRP. 49.79 Shiba, 226 on Solana, Ethereum 42.78, Litecoin 243, DOT sitting tight at 41. Let me throw up AVAX Avalanche Crypto, 88 bucks. So continuing to drop too as well. Not quite out this downtrend just yet, guys. Almost hit a little double bottom here. We still might hit it right here off this 1 minute candle, starting to drop a little bit right here. So we need to pay close attention, see what's going on in the markets. Yeah, I agree, Clubbin. That's why I'm big on ADA, dude. You know what ADA is going to be doing with third world countries? I'm all for it, dude. All freaking for it. You know, you send money Western Union. How much are they taking off the top, dude? You send money through via ADA. It's going to get there super quick. And the fees, instead of going to Western Union's pocketbook, be going to the people who actually need it. I think the El Salvador thing can be great. It's just how the government works it, man. We'll have to see. So let's see what we got. Dogecoin 2441. Hit a low of 2439. Didn't quite get that 2435 bottom, which we saw right here. And we actually hit 2438 right there. So pretty much call that a double bottom right here. So what we take off from here? 60,481, 60,500. Starting to get a pretty good volume stepping in right here. MACD's looking to reverse right here, turn green. We got the RSI starting to hook right here. We got it at 41. RSI on Bitcoin starting to hook. So definitely looking good for the short term right here. Gala up 4 cents. Let's see what Gala's doing, man. It is up 39% on a day, 13 cents. Gala is pumping through all this. And Gala Gaming, gaming crypto, also got a stake in NFT platforms. One shot, if you still here, man, those gaming cryptos, you couldn't have been more right, dude. They're blowing it out the water, dude. Also, metaverse cryptos are still hot. Let's check out Mana Price. Decentraland's down 10%, so definitely taking the effects of this market crash right here. Sandbox. Every time I type in Sandbox, it comes up Sandbox game. Want Sandbox crypto. That is down a whopping 12% right now. So that was all moving off the news of Facebook with Metaverse. Yeah, I'd feel pretty good about buying right here. Unless you see it in the next couple 1 minute candles completely break that double bottom. It looks pretty good. We saw this last night on the stream. And these real long candles right here before it started working its way up. So Bitcoin right here testing that 14 at 60,716. We are crossing it. A break above that 50 is going to be bullish right here. And that's sitting at 875 on that 50 right here. I'm looking at XRP, dude. XRP, you know, I think that has the potential to go back to 130 before Doge has to go back to 30 cents right here. Short term, I think XRP is going to pump a little bit more than what Doge is doing. I think, you know, next 2 weeks are going to be a tall tale sign about what's happening in the crypto space. If that Plan B prediction holds true and we start seeing 100K Bitcoin. Yeah, 100% clubbing. 100%, dude. My acre in Sandbox is 6x in 1 month. Hell yeah, Roscoe Studios. That dude Adam E coming in, throwing some love around. What's happening, my man? Thank you for making that little kid dance on my screen. Mass market member for life. Thank you so much again, brother. You've given us so many good plays, man. I truly can't thank you enough, Mass Market fam. Flipping the Mar. Hey, thank you, Adam E, dude. Much love, man. Appreciate that. Much love, my dude. Meta Hero is still the meta crypto I think will excel. Meta Hero. What is that? Oh, I looked at that the other night. Meta Hero. That is down 12% too on the day, sitting at 10 cents, man. On a hard downtrend. I'll keep my eye on it, man. I want to look at that other one you were shouting out earlier. All right, I just saw some red pumping. What's about to happen? $24.38. We're confirming a double bottom right here if we can hold it. We got a true double bottom right here. If I can get to it. 24.38. Work my way back. 24.38. So let's see what happens. What's up, Cedric Norman? How you doing, man? Oh, Ryan, you in on that Meta Hero, man? Ryan's he's a miner, and I'm gonna get him on a show one night, man. He knows a hell of a lot more than I do about mining to even sit here and try to BS anybody, which I would never do. But I'm gonna get him up here one night and talk about some crypto mining stuff, man. So Ryan, man, I would love to have you up one night, man. You already know. Awesome, man. I have to check it out, man. It's down 12%. So, dude, it's, you know, dip buying opportunities across the market right here, man. So we are starting to move a little bit up on Doge. Might be that little double bottom take off from here. We'll have to see what happens. I think we'll know more in the next about 30 minutes. So. Yeah, Mr. Rick, November to remember. It's coming up, baby. 2 weeks for that Plan B prediction. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. So, guys, if you're just tuning in to an episode of Mass Market, welcome. If y'all are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. You'll see a pretty cool little cat pop up on your screen. If you do, we like to live stream 7 nights a week over here. What it's been as of late, keeping everybody up to date with the latest information in the cryptocurrency market. We also got a link to 100% free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. Make sure you check that out too as well. Join the family. Love to have you. So 2440 right here. Nah, man. No, like a crypto miner. He's an actual miner. He's 43 years young. What's up, Future? You think it's going to 51K? I'll tell you what, man. Stick around and we'll see what happens, man. I think the absolute lowest we could hit right here is going to be at 58K range. But we'll see, man. We are getting a break to the downside right here. So let's see what happens. It's not confirmed yet. You want a 5-minute open and close above or below. So it's not confirmed yet. We're bouncing right back. That candle is turning green. Bitcoin's starting to flip right here, turn green. Look at that RSI just shot up. You got lots and lots of freaking support at 60,386. Lots of people buying up right here. Doge flipping green too as well. Looks pretty good. Oh, let me take that off. Sorry. Psycho Pearl says Litecoin is a must buy at 242. It's super cheap. I'd have to agree with you, man. Litecoin is a killer buy. Look at Bitcoin starting to move now. 60,922, top of this candle right here. If this can flip green, we are breaking above that 50 just briefly. And there we go, baby. 60,997, 994. Might be a little double bottom confirmation right here, guys. 60,999. Can we get it? Can we get the break? 61,002. 07. She's trying to break out right here, man. William Malone, welcome to Mass Market, my dude. Give it up for William Malone. Appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, man. Join the family. Check out the Discord pinned to the top of the chat, my man. 61,011 bucks right here. High of this candle. We do have that resistance set right there. Let's see what happens. We should get a pretty good pump though. RSI is starting to hook again. I do think we're going to start pushing that top around again, which might be confirming that double bottom, which we, we've been looking at that 2430 range off Doge and at 60,386 range off of Bitcoin. So let's see what happens here. Next couple 1-minute candles will be a tall tail sign, but we just hopped above that 50. So starting to look a little bit more bullish. This break above this little bottom top right here. So we are getting above it, but I'd like to see it make a pretty good move to retest that 61,238 right there. And I think if we get a break above that, we'll be back on a more bullish trend right there. Maybe like that would be a confirmation to me, like of a reversal. So William, are you new to crypto or what, man? Let me know. What do you think I should buy BTC? Just depends, my man. I think it's about to rock and roll, man. Within the next 2 weeks, I think you're gonna make some pretty good returns if you do. Bitcoin right now, looking to, now is a great time if you're looking to enter. in my opinion. But I currently, like, if you're brand new to crypto, if you've been doing it for a while, I'd buy XRP, Doge. You know, XRP is gonna eventually work its way back to 130 here shortly, so I'd be looking at XRP. Solana is another good play. I do think you'll start seeing much higher on Solana. Litecoin at 245. It's definitely going back to 300, man. Definitely gonna head that way. Hopefully this is the last dip before the rip. Yep, I'm very new to crypto. Man, welcome aboard, dude. Join the Discord, man. Appreciate you hopping in here, man. What's up, Jonathan? Nick Johnson, how you doing, man? Good to see you in the chat tonight, man. Always buy BTC. Hey, you can't go wrong, dude. We had a night where freaking what was it? I was talking to this dude, and he was buying Bitcoin so much every day, like $10 a day over a period of time. It was like 8 years, and that dude's actually retired, man. I had a pretty good chat with him one day, and he bought Bitcoin every day for fucking 8 years, and you know, he's chilling, man. He's not even worried about these dips right now. What's up, Nola TN? How are you doing tonight, man? How are you doing, my friend? I would say Bitcoin and Solana are the safest of those investments. Yeah, I like some Solana, man. We hopped on early, dude. We hopped on 67, dude. Absolutely smashed it on our Solana play. Our boy One Shot GT over here called AVAX at 55. It hit $100 last night. You know, we've been calling some great plays. We were on 8 at 85 cents, man. So we're still sitting tight. We're starting to get some pump in action going on right here. 24.69 off Doge. I'll take it. Bitcoin climbing up 61,117, starting to you know, push that top around, man. I do think we got that double bottom confirmation. I'm gonna feel pretty good about going to sleep tonight. We might start getting some rejection right here with these tops right here, but I'm still overall bullish, man. So let's effing go, baby. Let's start climbing back up, getting into some new highs over here. Plan B prediction, 100K coming in hot for November. We'll see what happens, man. Let me get this pumping real quick. Change that. So guys, we got 47 people in here. If y'all could smash that like button for you, boy. I'm Matt. I'll be your host tonight. If y'all new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button for us, man. Join the family. Also got a link to 100% free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. If you got any questions, feel free to hop in. Let me know. Adam E trying to redeem that hot dog. I got you, man. My redeems aren't quite going as planned. I still did not get in there and work on those, but I can do it over here manually for you, my boy. But I'm gonna go ahead. Oh yeah. If you put $100 in the BTC, does it have any profits? What? I'm not sure what you're asking, man. You put some money in the Bitcoin, you know, long term, dude. Add a little bit every day. You're gonna be sitting tight, my friend. What's up, Vortex? How you doing, my man? Hello, sir. I'm leveraged, out of my mind, and scared. Man, just be careful, dude. I was talking about that early on the stream, dude. You know, part of what happened today, I do think the infrastructure bill, you know, along with the shorts, the FUD, and people getting liquidated, man, definitely led to the price that we're seeing right now on Bitcoin across the market. So definitely be careful, dude. If you're scared out your mind, dude, you're probably playing with a little bit more than what you should be playing with. Just be careful out there, man. Did you get called yet? You got margin called yet? Let me know in the chat, man. What's up, music? Buy dip or correction? I'm gonna be possibly buying a dip, man. I do think we're starting to see a little bit of double bottom, and we're starting to bounce here, which is very good. 24.75. Doge working its way back up right here. I'm starting to feel better about it. If Bitcoin can get a little break right here, I do think it could run up really quickly back to that 61,000 possible rejection point here in the short term. So we're watching right here, starting to push some fucking tops around. We'll see what happens. So we'll see what happens. XRP, haven't searched for it. Yeah, definitely check out some XRP, man. XRP is a killer buy. It just hit 111. It's at 112. I got super chat coming in. Thank you very much for that. $9.99 super chat, my man. Andrew BTC coming in hot, dude. Appreciate that. What's our lowest, strongest support on the 1 hour, 4 hour? Right now, dude, 60,000 for the short term. And look, man, a break below 60,000, you still got really strong support at 58K. I know a lot of people saying, hey, we break below 60,000, it's over with, it's done. Put a fork in it. It's not done, my man. 58,000, you're gonna be sitting tight, dude. But we're getting that double bottom right here, man. And that's good, man. I do like how you look at the 4 hour chart. You know, break below 60,000, you got 59, but look at this strong support between 57 and 59. I do think you stop right there, man. You got strong support within that range, so that's the lowest, absolute lowest I think it could go, man. Hope that helps. Welcome to the family, man. We also got that free Discord, man. Make sure to hop on that as well. But we're starting to pump here on the 1 minute chart, possibly heading for this 200 moving average right here, which is 61,000 flat. And I do think we're pumping up to that. So 61,341 right now. Doge pumping 24.79, coming off that double bottom, guys. I do think that's a confirmation. We dipped briefly below that. We're starting to rock it now. Possible rejection point, next stopping point, I do think is going to be that 50. But we broke this top here. And let's zoom out right here. We broke this top here on this way up. So we are starting to see a trend reversal right here. And I do think it's heating up. Do think it's freaking heating up. What's up, Pork Chop Express? Fire sales across the board, my man. You already know what's happening. No margin calls yet. Good vibes in here, dude. Vortex, if you didn't get called yet, dude, I feel pretty good about this situation right here, man. I'm not concerned the least bit, dude. I do think this is a we're seeing a little bit of a trend reversal, man. You could wake up, Bitcoin would probably be back to 62.5, 63,000. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, Ethereum's gonna blast the 5K, no doubt, dude. 100%. We're seeing 43.32, dude. Dude, fire sales on everything's on freaking sale right now, man. You know, I'm on the live stream. I personally don't buy when I'm live because I just have horrible luck with it, man. Horrible luck when I buy on the live stream. So I don't do that. You can ask any of the OGs over here. They'll fuss at me if I buy on the live stream. What altcoins are you looking for? Man, XRP, Doge, Solana, dude. You know, we were picking up Solana at 67. It's sitting at 229. I'm still bullish on it at 228, dude. I think you'll double your money this year. Ethereum, dude, 5K is incoming. We'll start busting some new all-time highs. Start doing some more live streams for Ethereum. Come here pretty shortly, man. And, you know, plan B, 2 weeks, 100K. Things could definitely spice up in the market, man. So let me see. Dude, Adam E. Yeah, Adam E is my boy. You already know. So as of right now, 61,356. We are starting to climb, guys. Seeing that double bottom reversal right here. Looking for a stopping point rejection at 61,345. We got Dogecoin pumping a little bit too as well. Just hit a high of 24.80 2 minutes ago. Didn't quite get that retest at 24.86 off that 50 exponential. But I do think it's incoming. That MACD is strong right now. RSI is flying. RSI is sitting at 66. And RSI on Bitcoin is at 69. So might see a little rejection. Look to consolidate above that level of support that we're seeing right here. 24.75. I need to pop that on Doge. I didn't have that. That was a pretty good level right here, which we are trading above now. So we'll keep that rocked right there. Could see a little sell-off. We just had a pretty good pump, but I think it's back off to the races, man. I do think people are the whales are buying it up right here. The price has dropped enough. They made some money off of it. We'll see what happens. Dips don't give me stress. Not stressed out. I got you, my man. Roscoe says my algorithm just flashed a buy on the 5 minute. There you go, man. Seeing a reversal. Yeah, 100% Pearl. Sandbox is that's a great freaking play, dude. that's, you know, tied to the metaverse, dude. We're gonna see Snoop Dogg Sandbox freaking concert, dude. I mean, Sandbox is a great metaverse play, dude. 100%. Highly recommend hopping Sandbox mana. Like when you know, when we do hit the bear market, dude, everything's falling out. I'm gonna be purchasing up those two cryptos definitely into my my bag. I wouldn't be surprised. That'd be a pretty good pump, but it can happen, dude. We saw Bitcoin move 10,000 to the downside about a month ago in September, I believe it was. I think it was September, a little bit more than a month ago, when it moved 10K in, you know, an hour. So if it had moved 10,000 to the upside, would have been sitting at all-time high back then. But it can definitely move that much. I'm not saying it can't. You called it as a human, but it's a confirm. I promise you, I'm not a robot. I'm just going off of what I'm seeing with the charts, man. Clubman says no more food or drinks. I'm eating ramen noodles, and I'm sitting tight buying these dips, man. Oh, we got to give it up for my boy. Where it's at? Where is it? Where is it? Andrew BTC. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button to Matt's Market, my friend. Really, really appreciate the support, man. Glad you found the channel, man. Make sure you check out that Discord too, man. You can always get in touch with me via message or in the main chat, my man. Clubbing SOL is God mode because SBF don't lose. Hey, Solana's, dude. Solana's at a very good price. Litecoin's at a very good price, man. Litecoin will be heading back to 300, and I can't say it enough, dude. That Litecoin Visa partnership is going to be absolutely crazy, man. Absolutely freaking crazy. Great long-term hold with Litecoin. So as of right now, 2481 Dogecoin, XRP 113 climbing up. We hit 111. Definitely climbing back up right here, guys. 61,400 on Bitcoin. Shiba 5083 dip below that 5 range. Very briefly working its way back up. 229 Solana, Ethereum 4338, Litecoin 247, AVAX 91. I do think that was the double bottom confirmation, guys. I do think it's off from here, and we'll continue to work our way back up toward that 63 range. You know, could get some pretty good green candles pumping in here shortly. The volume, you know, usually late at night, you'll get some volume pumping in, and it'll definitely start moving. So we'll see what happens here in the next 30 minutes or so. Andrew BTC says bell notifying all. Hey, thank you very much, Andrew BTC. We got Randy buyers in the house, not Randy sellers. What's happening, man? That dude's in buying mode. I'm shifting tendies. Prep 101, load time up. Hey, you already know what time it is, man. This is buying season right here, dude. Last little freaking dip before the rip, man. Yeah, Dot's definitely on sale. One shot, me and him were talking earlier. I like Dot where it's sitting at, dude. I think it's a great buy. Great freaking buy. OMG, where's OMG at? Let's check it out. OMG crypto. It was getting hammered the other day. Yeah, it's down 10% too, man. Yeah, over the past 7 days, man, it's been getting hammered. That is one of our plays over here. I'm still sitting up on it, but yeah, I would like to see it start moving a little bit more. Let me check Anchor real quick. Anchor crypto. That is down 13%. So it might take a little while for some of these other cryptos like Anchor, OMG, VeChain to start working its way back. So that MACD might be due for a little flip right here. We'll see. If we can hold this level of support on Doge and on Bitcoin, we'll be sitting tight, man. VeChain's 15 cents. Still sitting tight. Not down that much, actually. 6.5%. So I'll take it. Do like some VeChain, man. Rally dabs for the cause. What's up, Clown Baby? That's my dude, man. That's my dude. So guys, I don't know what's going to happen with crypto mining stocks tomorrow. Depending on where Bitcoin ends up tonight, we'll see what happens. Expect your crypto mining stocks to maybe take a little bit of a dip in the morning. You know, the shorts will probably be on full gang about shorting the crypto mining stocks. So if you guys are interested, we do have a couple good plays over here. Especially with HUT. We were on HUT early, and you know, I'm still sitting up pretty good on my HUT 8 mining. That's one I'm really bullish on right here. 14.29, hit a high of 16 bucks. Where's BITF? Every time I do that, I always forget the F right there. Bit Farms was up in the regular market hour slightly, and then took a little hit in the aftermarket hour. So Bit Farms, Mara was the biggest dropper of the day, down 27%. They're trying to you know, raise capital to buy more Bitcoin. So you know, price is going to take effect, but Mara could be a sleeper in the crypto mining sector. If they do raise 500 million and they buy Bitcoin with it relatively quickly, and say Plan B prediction does come true, we see 100K end of November, and they invest 500 million in right now, that could send that return on your money soaring before the end of the year, man. They might be onto something right there. So do not sleep on Mara at all, my friends. Let me see. Yeah, Dot is 100% going to be over 100 bucks into the cycle, man. 100%, dude. I cannot freaking wait for it either, man. I cannot wait. We like BITF. We like HUD 8 mining over here. I like Ride and Mara. I really do. Mara's growing on me because it's dropping so much. I'm probably going to have to add some to it, man. It's just eating me up not to. You know, Clown Baby over here, dude, he's been calling BITF, dude. We talked about dips on BITF, you know, within a month ago, and this dude's killing it with the call options on these crypto mining stocks, man. So shout out to Clown Baby, man. Absolutely crushing it. OMG put us on HUD 8 mining early, around 6-7 bucks. We're still sitting up, you know, 100% on that play. We've been calling some good fucking plays over the past year, man. 100%. BITF, HUT, and CAN. There you go, man. There you freaking go. All those stocks, you know, I would wait tomorrow, depending on where Bitcoin levels out tonight. You know, it is starting to bounce off this 14, and if we continue bouncing, that's going to be super bullish. It's looking like it could. The RSI is starting to hook down a little bit, so we might get a retest of 61,000 right here, but definitely starting to pump. RSI is pretty flat on Doge right here. Roscoe, I think I missed your comment. Let me see. Matt, check out RNDR. Let me check it out, man. I think someone asked me about that earlier. RNDR. Check out what you got, man. It's an ERC20 Ethereum token. Market cap up 14.5% on the day. $4.60. Let's see the all-time high on this thing. I think you're sitting at it. Whoa, I missed this one. 1 month chart looks beautiful. 7-day chart looks beautiful. 1 day chart looks beautiful, man. Very solid play, I think. Market ranks 227. It's been around for quite some time. Let me see. 2020. I like it, dude. Solid play. Long term, 100%, man. Render coin, RNDR, guys. Are you in it? Let me know, man. Let me know you price average, my dude. Yes, Quesadilla is crypto mining stocks. So you play it in the stock market. I got a link down below for Webull, man. That's the chart you're seeing on the screen right now. Very good platform to do your chart reading, man. If you need some help getting up to par on chart reading, dude, join the Discord, man. I'm always there, available to help people. Y'all just let me know. But guys, we got 52 people in here. If y'all can smash that like button for your boy. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button for him, make sure to do that as well. Let me see. Oh, the cooler calls, KULR. Hey, where'd it do, Clown Baby? We gotta check it out, man. Automotive. Thank you very much for smashing that freaking subscribe button, my man. Appreciate the love. KULR, we gotta look at it. Kula Technologies, up 2.74%. Not bad, dude. $3.75. I'm keeping my eye on it, man. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Let me see if I got the. Hold on. The Kula. Andrew BTC, not at all, my dude. I'm 100% transparent, dude. I'm split between Ethereum and Doge right now. That's my biggest long-term holds. Clown Baby says I did a spinning back kick on that like button. Thank you very much, Clown Baby. Appreciate the love, man. Appreciate all the support, man. To everybody out here tonight rocking with me. Let's see what this is. Roscoe says moving to Solana. That's the reason it's pumping. Render the metaverse? Quite possible, man. I like it, dude. Charts look freaking amazing, dude. I think it'd be a great long-term hold. I slammed the like button and people's elbow. Hey, appreciate it, CP. Crushed earnings. Hey, 100%, man. Don't sleep on Planner Stocks has been picking up. Yeah, we'll check it out here in a second, man. I think I heard you drop that Planner comment the other night, man, and I did want to go back to it. Dylan Nixon, thank you for making this little cat pop on my screen, my dude. Appreciate the support, man. Also, check out that 100% free Discord, my man. Appreciate it, Sanka Well. Appreciate the support, man. My biggest long-term hold is Litecoin. Anybody want some? Hey, Clown Baby wants Litecoin gang, dude. He is all about the Litecoin. Planner, let's check it out, man. Where did Planner end at today? PLTR. Planner Technologies up 2%. I'm gonna leave Bitcoin up. Doge is starting to get a little action. I'll swap the charts real quick. PLTR. Man, having a nice little pump. I would say if you don't break 23.42, you get rejected right here. This top right here. I'd be looking to pick up some at 23.30. It's 23.35 right now in the aftermarket hours. So I'm gonna be watching this thing. A break above 23.42, and you're pretty much off to that 23.50 range, man. Let me break out the 4 hour. So good, really strong support at 22 bucks. I'll pop that real quick. 22. And then 27, you got hard resistance, which that would lead you to some pretty good tendies right here, my man. 27, you know, and then you'll start hitting a 29. I'll leave that for right now. I'm looking for an entry somewhere around 22, closer to 22. So I'll watch it tomorrow and see what happens with Planner, man. But if volume's picking up, that's what leads to price action movement. So I will be watching it, man. Appreciate that call out. Let me check out Volta. Where did Volta end up at? VO Volta Inc. Down 4.8%. We hopped in at $9 2 weeks ago. Still sitting up on that thing, so I'm not too concerned about it. EV plays are going to be extremely hot for the rest of the year, especially with this infrastructure bill passing. Bitcoin, little mini cup and handle here on the 1 minute. Let's see what happens. See if we can pump over this 200, which is sitting at 61,543. Could definitely start pumping here. That RSI is starting to heat up once again, sitting at 60. The RSI is hooking on Doge. Will the MACD flip green right here? We're about to find out. What's up, Chris Nuno? Looked at Crow at all? I got a buddy who's super big into Crow, man. I do like it. I feel like I kind of missed it, but I don't think I did yet. I do think that thing will pump quite a bit over the course of its lifetime. Let's see where Crow Coin is at. Probably took a pretty good dip, man. The exchange coin usually dips pretty hard. Yep, down 12% on the day, sitting at 41 cents. On the 7-day, it was looking absolutely beautiful when you hit that top at 50.72, and then been down ever since. Pretty much the same with the rest of the market. And those exchange coins definitely get hit when Bitcoin does this shit. So I would not be concerned at all, man. You should still be up if you've been buying in pretty early on Crow. You never know. You could be looking at a coin like, you know, KuCoin and all these other big name coins sitting like what BNB did, man. I'm bullish on it, man. I like it. I would hold it. Let's go Crow. Yeah, I'll be on for a little while, man. What is it? 10:52, probably another hour. Then I'm gonna look to hop out of here. Yeah, CP Ethereum is on a killer sale right now. 43.54, my man. 43.54. That's AVAX. I'm gonna throw up that Doge chart real quick. Doge starting to move again. 24.85. Retesting at 200 right here. So it could get a pretty big break to the upside. 25 and then 25.17 is that next major level of resistance right here. But Bitcoin looking to heat up right here. Could start breaking that 200. I think we'll see it. Let's see what happens. Up 135% so far, still pumping. Hey, let's give it up for Chris, man. That dude is pumping 135% on that Crow coin, my man. Hey, good call, dude. Glad to see it, man. Love to see people make tendies, dude. Psycho Pearl, peace out, dude. Much love. I'll catch you tomorrow night, man. Thanks for tuning in, man. Showing that support tonight. Nice to have outside opinions. Oh, 100%, dude. It's all about the community, man. You have to have the community. You know, one person can't do it all himself. If one person says he can't do it, that's an absolute lie, my dude. Not one person can do it all himself, dude. And I rely heavily on the community over here too, man. OMG calls great plays, dude. Rick called good. He called, what was it? Jasmine Coin before that blew up. We were in on that, dude. One Shot GT is calling awesome freaking plays, dude. I'm also really involved with Bulldog Trading, man. He's over there calling some massive fucking plays. So, like, the community itself is what sustains everything. So, it's just been awesome, man. It makes my job freaking easy. And I am kind of slurring with my words. I ran out of water quite a bit of time ago. But, you know, just sitting here chilling with y'all, man, watching Bitcoin start to pump right here. 61,556. Starting to pump up right here. I bought Hut Call, $15 strike, 12/17 expiration. That's gonna treat you well, man. Hut should have a pretty good little pump coming up, man. You know, especially with what's going on with Bitcoin next 2.5 weeks. Dude, you might have hit it on the head with that, man. Hopefully you got those calls pretty cheap too. So that 200 exponential on Doge is 24.86. We are climbing above it. Let's get some more green pumping in right here. That MACD is trying to stay red. That RSI just hooked down, so we'll have to see. We are getting we talked about that possibly being a rejection point. It is looking like it right here, but you got that 14 right below it. So next 1 minute candle could definitely reverse and pop right back above it. So we'll see what happens. RSI is hooking down pretty good right here though. We really like to see a pretty good pump. Like, just have a whale step in and just absolutely buy this shit up right now. So as of right now, 24.86 off Doge, 113 XRP, Bitcoin 61.3, Shiba 5092, Solana 229, Ethereum 43.52, Litecoin 247, and AVAX 91.39. So, yep, looks like we're getting a confirmed rejection off that 200. But never fear. We might go back to retest 61 and then get a pretty good bounce. Might not even go that low. We'll have to see what happens. Looks like it's trying to respect this 14 right here. It might turn green. 24.90 top of that candle for Doge right here. And MACD is still keeping red. RSI is selling off right here. 51.49. It's hooking down. But that's cool. At least we got a rejection above that level of support. So if we do go back to retest that 50 is sitting right on top that level of support. It's going to creep above that. So I think we'll get a bounce before we even get right there. We could end up bouncing here. But next couple 1 minute candles could end up being red. But I do think we get that strong bounce right here off that support. So we'll see what happens here. Where are we sitting at on Doge? 24.82. Briefly below that 200 exponential. Got that 50 still coming up to meet it. MACD might be due for a flip soon. We'll see what happens. Maybe not much longer. We might get that retest of that level of support at 24.75 before we take off again. Let that RSI give it some time to cool off and see what happens. So next 1 minute candle trying to turn in green on Bitcoin. So we'll see. So guys, let me know in the chat if you got anything you want me to look at while y'all got me on the mic. Any stocks, any crypto. We cover pretty much everything over here. Grab my water. What's up, Heyman? How's it going tonight, man? Thank you for tuning in, dude. Good to see you in the chat, man. Definitely having fun in the cryptocurrency space, man. What's up, Adrian Mitchell? Fire sell, fellas. Hey, 100%, dude. Fire freaking sell. IOTX, I have been, man. I don't know what the price is right now, NOLA TM, but I can definitely tell you real quick. Look at the chart for you. IOTX up, down 8% today, sitting at 19 cents. The past 7 days haven't been great for it, but it had pretty good run-ups over the past month of November so far. All-time high, crushing it. Seeing a bit of a pullback. Definitely a good long-term play, man. Just if you hop in now, you are sitting at an all-time high within that range. The all-time high, what I'm seeing right here, was actually 26 cents. So definitely a long-term hold. I haven't hopped on it yet. I might wait for a little bit of a pullback, but who knows, man. We'll see if we get it. Got a super chat coming in from Andrew BTC. Thank you very much for making this little kid dance on my screen, my dude. Even though Bitcoin is bleeding, I entered an Ethereum trade at 43.16. Opinions, I'm going against my better judgment in reference to BTC not finding stable support to help out the altcoins regain traction. Thanks, Andrew BTC, man. Long term, dude, I think you just made a great freaking awesome play picking up some Ethereum at 43, man. And look, you talk to a guy who was picking up Ethereum a lot cheaper, but personally, me, if you would ask me if I would buy Ethereum at 43, 46, I would tell you right now, I definitely would, my man. Good stuff, dude. Love seeing stuff like that, man. I hope it treats you well. I think Ethereum's going to be pumping that 5K range, dude. I think you bought the dip, and that's a nice play, my man. 100% nice play. Oh, you sipping that deuce again? I got you, man. Yeah, Nola, definitely that crow's been rocking, man. Taking a bit of a hit right now. So while I was getting that super chat, apparently Doge freaking pumped to 24.95, man. Almost hit 25 cents. So that is looking good, man. We are working our way back up. That is a double bottom confirmation right here, guys. If you've ever seen one, yeah, we dip right below it, but that's not a solid. That was not a true break to the downside. So we did get that double bottom bounce, and we are pumping, guys. So definitely looking good. Definitely looking freaking good, man. Andrew BTC, man, I think you'll start seeing Ethereum move up pretty good. 44, 45, start working its way back up to that all-time high, man. Just a few weeks ago, I was doing some all-time highs off of Ethereum videos, and that's coming again, man. It is coming again, 100%. Let's see. What's up, Andre P? Good to see you in the chat, man. The average BTC price is used to calculate Riot's third quarter 2021 mining revenue, which is approximately 41,837. Is that all the mining companies said the average of BTC was for the third quarter? So Riot's third quarter 2021 mining revenue was approximately... I'm gonna have to dig into that, man, to actually get the true perspective. I would have to think it would be higher than that. What did Riot do today? Did that news come out today? Let me see. Riot blockchain is down 4.75%, and it's down 7%. So yeah, if that news came out, Riot's going to get a lot cheaper, my friend. A lot cheaper. I'll dig into it, man. I'll hit you up in the Discord. 100%, man. I have to do some more research on the numbers and confirm everything. But if that's the case, yeah, that's not good. Well, not holding the coin itself, I got in under 400 for Ethereum. I meant in reference to futures leveraging trading. Oh, okay, I got you. Damn, dude. Hey, you bought Ethereum under 400 bucks, dude. You have been doing this thing for a while, my friend, and congrats, man. That is super awesome to see, dude. I think you're sitting tight. You're sitting beautiful, my friend. You felt like Riot was sandbagging? Dude, how about Mara, man? You know, Mara could be on the verge of doing something great if they do turn around these profits for 500 million capital they're trying to raise to buy Bitcoin here shortly. You know, they're going off the wall doing some crazy stuff, but if it works, man, you're gonna get great returns off your investment for Mara before the end of the year, man. Yeah, appreciate it, Andre P. Starting to get some pretty long candles right here. That MACD is due for a flip. Come here shortly. RSI is coming down right here. We'll see what happens here in the next couple 1 minute candles. Looking, there's that 50 creeping above that level of support we talked about. So we should get a bounce pretty soon off of Bitcoin right here. Let's see what happens. We'll widen up the bar right here so we can see a little bit better. Respecting it right now. Let's see what happens. You got a level of support and that moving average sitting right there. We should hold it, man. We should hold this level right here and have a pretty good bounce. Possibly retest that 200 exponential and maybe get the break. So we'll see what happens here. RSI definitely reloaded. Had some hard sell-off. It's at 42 right now. So I do think we hold somewhere within this range, get a pretty good bounce. 61,144 bottom of this candle. See what happens right here. 61,144. Sorry, 61,144. Yeah. Come on, baby. We need the bounce right here. Doge getting some pretty good volume right there. Let's see what happens. Oh, they get investigated. I didn't read that article. I'm gonna have to dig further into those crypto mining stocks. But yeah, it's not a good thing if they're getting investigated. Ham beginner at crypto. I've got 10 bucks. Where can I invest that? Man, if I had 10 bucks right now, I would stick it in XRP or Litecoin, man. One of the two. Try it out, man. Start small. I like it, man. 10 bucks is 10 bucks, man. Profit is a profit. Start off small, man. I started trading for lunch every day. Don't feel bad, man. Yeah, that was part of the reason why we're seeing this bit of a crash, man. You know, shorts hopped on top of it, and you know, people got liquidated. So looks like we're breaking. Well, no, that level is a little bit. I got it off a little bit. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mark it perfect. It's supposed to be 61 even. Let me take that off. I got that line drawn right there. And that's not even it. There we go. All right, now I got it linked up pretty tight right there. That is that true level right there. BTC or Litecoin? Yeah, I hope they do too, man. I saw some senators were actually hopping on it, man. They're gonna try to do something about it. It is BS, man. Yeah, dude, that tax that unrealized gains, that shit ain't gonna fly, man. How can you tax unrealized gains? They're not even gains. So like you're getting taxed on something. Nah, dude, that ain't gonna fly. I don't. If I would have to guess on anything, that would not fly. XRP below 115 is a great play, man. Look, I'm not saying this is the bottom for XRP or the top, because XRP, you know, is trading within a channel right now. If you can catch it below between 115 and I would have to argue 105, you're gonna get it back to at least 130, and that 130 is that technical breakout level for XRP. And I know this without even looking at the chart because I've been playing XRP for months. XRP break above 130, then you get 135, 140 incoming. Definitely a great play, man. Definitely a great play. Hey, man, you might see it, you might not, man. We saw 85 cents briefly, then we saw 99-cent dip. We'll have to see, man. I'm still super bullish on it, though. Is XRP a short-term buy? GTOV. Dude, I've been holding it long-term, man. I'm waiting for, you know, the news for the lawsuit to come up. And once that happens, man, you know, XRP is going to explode on the scene, dude. 100%. There we go. We're starting to get some buying pressure stepping in right here. RSI is hooking. Everything's starting to cook right here. What's up, Jay Rogers? Do you think USDC is smart, or just wait for a crash to dump in coins? I don't have any money transferred over to USDC right now, man. I am not getting liquid. I'm staying in, and I'll possibly might buy something tonight. I'll let you know. I'm not invested in BTT, man. Not to say it's a bad long-term hold. I think it could do something. I'm not too familiar with the project, and you know, stuff like that where I'm not familiar with it. I'll tell you straight up. I do think it could be a good long-term hold. I know a few people that do have it. I don't personally have it, and I haven't kept up with the project. What's up, Jim? How you doing, man? Check out OMI for long-term. Yeah, let's check it out, bro. Jim, I don't know if you just hit that subscribe button, man, but I appreciate it. OMI crypto. Coin explainer for beginners. Economy. All right, this is a new one, man. No one's ever brought this up before. Market rank is 215. Charts look pretty decent. Let's see, the all-time high on this thing was back in March, April. It hit 1 cent. Economy. Interesting, man. Cool. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, solid long-term hold, man. I would have to say so. Not too often I come across these low prices on these cryptos, but economy looks pretty decent, man. OMI. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, 100% XRP is a long-term buy right now, man. What happens if USDT and the market goes down? Then the market goes down. Like straight up. There's no way around it. USDT is a major crypto, man. You know, one of the top ones. But stablecoin, they you know, that's another potential. Will we get regulation on stablecoin? Lots of ifs. Lots of ifs right now. What's up, Chase Wright? Yeah, 100%, Joey. 100%, man. Not sure why, but Crow likes to dump. Yeah, Cedric Norman, what you're seeing with Crow right now is a exchange token. So like, you know, dude, when these Bitcoin dumps happen, dude, you know, money's getting pulled out the exchanges. So you're gonna see all the exchange tokens follow it 100%. Everything follows Bitcoin, man. That's just the way it is right now. XRP is definitely a long-term buy, and I agree. OMI is backed by VV. Awesome, dude. Hey, I'm gonna do some real research on that thing, Jim. I appreciate it, man. I really do. Doge on the decline is pretty much trading sideways above that level of support right now, man, which is good. You want to see it consolidate and look for another leg up. You're still above that 200 right here, which is bullish in the short term. So just waiting for a little pop, man. So we did have that rejection, what we talked about, the 200. Came all the way down to that level of support. Had a nice bounce. You know, you're getting that cross right here. That 14 going underneath that 50. And that's not, you know, what you want to see. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, 100% you want to see this. So we need to hold support right here at 60,000, at 61 to get a true bounce and then start working your way back up to that 200. But, you know, if we can hold it, that'll be best case scenario to start working our way back up through the night. So we'll see what happens. Joey says, I like it. Dip is awesome. I never thought I would see XRP at 112. I'm so tempted to trade $1,000 from Solana XRP. I'm already 1,100. Hey man, Solana or XRP, sitting tight, beautiful plays, man. 100%, 100%. Let me see. Yeah, I was looking that up. That is a good question. What it's showing me right here is Gate.io, and I don't really play with Gate.io. Zombie Inu. The Inus of the world. What we got? Zombie Inu is down 13% on the day. Just for shits and giggles, man. Where's Squid Game? I gotta check out where Squid Game's at. So the rug pool that ended up trying not to be a rug pool is back to 18 cents. So be careful, guys. Be careful out there. 100%. Yes, with the big gulp. I'm actually running out, man. Actually running out. I've been on live stream for quite some time now. 2 hours, a little over 2 hours. So thank y'all for rocking with me, man. I really appreciate it, man. All love and support tonight means a lot. BNB right now seems like it'll retest. Where's BNB at? BNB. BNB price 611. I like it, bro. I like it. I'm not holding any BNB, but Joey says now is not the time to be scared. Hey, we're getting that little double bottom break above that level of resistance. Now treating it as support looks better. Definitely looks better. I think the scare is over for the night. If you're that worried about it, dude, set your stop losses. Anything can happen. Crypto market can happen super fast. So you need to be prepared for anything, man. 100%. Benny, one thing about Zombie Inu, it always gets back up. Ethereum Classic is another long-term play. 100%, dude. I had the most fun in my life swing trading Ethereum Classic when it ran up. Let me show you. Pop it up on the charts. All right, we got to go back in time, back to this day. I might have to go on a day chart to give you a good perspective. Yes, so that top up here at 173, it hit higher than that. I think it was 198. I hopped in that morning right here. I caught it that morning. And that thing flew, my man. And that was the most fun I ever had trading anything. That was really fun to be a part of. So I always have a soft spot for Ethereum Classic. I do think it's a great long-term hold. 100%. 52 bucks. That's not a bad price, man. Anything under 55 right now is pretty good for Ethereum Classic. AVAX. All right, what we got? Jim says, I'll load more Shiba in the 40-ish. I like it, man. ARW says, Matt, thanks for being out there. Forrest, you're the calm we need, bro. Hey, that's what I'm here for, man. If I can calm you down when these big drops happen, I did my job good, man. All right, let's zoom back in because I'm all messed up on my charts right here. That's that AVAX 101, baby. Let's get our way back up. Get to the 1 minute chart right here. See what's going on Doge. Leave that zoomed in. Let me pop this back. Give me 1 second. Let me change this around. The stability at 6-1 is good news for Tuesday morning. Yeah, I'd agree, man. You know, we found support. We're consolidating, trading sideways. I like it. That 14 is starting to hook right here. Looking like we that RSI is heating up. So we did what we talked about. Ran it at 200, got rejected. Found support, traded sideways. Now I think we'll get some volume stepping in. We'll look for a leg up. A break above that 200, man, we're off. And I mean that. There's not much in the way right here. So you right back up to that 61.8. You know, 61.8 range to consolidate possibly and then break above 62. If you have the volume, that's going to be easy break for Bitcoin, man. We'll absolutely smash through that. So buying opportunity tonight, guys. I don't know what it's going to be like when we wake up in the morning, but it could be a lot higher. So we'll have to see. I bought only one at 16.98, sold at 98.24. I hear you, Joey. The only problem you have is you didn't buy more, my friend. Clubman says, I remember I was new to crypto and I bought Ethereum Classic at like 90. Luckily, I sold at 115 for the dip. Yeah, hey, congrats, man. That was probably the same day I was trading it. I don't know why, dude. I saw it was up like 10% that morning. I was on the way to work and I hopped in at like 17 bucks. And that thing ran to 198, dude. And it was just absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. So ever since then, I have a soft spot for Ethereum Classic because that was the most fun I've ever had. Swing trading in one day off of cryptocurrency. Like I bought it the day it pumped, and it was just really cool, man. So what we got? 61,318. Trying to work our way above that 50 on Bitcoin right now. 24.86 off Doge. Andre P, much love, man. Appreciate it. I'm watching Bloomberg TV and it shows most popular cryptos on the bottom of the screen. Hey, Heyman, what cryptos they got up there, man? Just curious, what they showing right now? Parabolic moves coming. Clown baby, you already know, dude. 2.5 weeks, baby. Let's look at 100K. LT says my European friends woke up and literally shit the bed. Saw crypto down 10%. Hopefully they buying a dip up, man. When do you buy and when do you sell? You buy the dip and you sell the rip, my man. Hey, did you hop in the Discord? Make sure to hop in the Discord, my man. If you got any questions, dude, I'll take the time and teach you some pretty good stuff, man. If you're new to trading, I'll take the time out, dude, and really help you out. Thanks for tuning in tonight, man. I really do appreciate it too. Every new subscriber, man, it's awesome, dude. I love building relationships, building communities, man. That's what makes this whole YouTube journey great. SafeMoon has its own wallet. Yeah, Jim, I picked up a position in SafeMoon back in March. I think early April. And I've been holding it ever since, man. I did download the wallet. Definitely long term. Like, you know, you take some beer money on the weekend, throw it in there and forget about it, man. You might wake up one day sitting on a couple mil. You never know, man. Look what happened with Shiba. So it's really hard to judge which one's going to do. See, back then I should have bought in the Shiba, but I bought SafeMoon. You know, maybe one day I'll hit it right off these plays before they have that major run up. But SafeMoon still hasn't really moved, in my opinion, to what it can be. And, you know, a lot of that's going to depend on the team developing it. So we'll see what happens, man. But I threw something at it and I'm holding it and I forget about it. So hope that helps, Jim. So guys, 24.89 off Doge, XRP 113, Bitcoin 61,316. We got Shiba Inu coming in hot at 50.97, Solana 229, Ethereum 43.55, Litecoin 247, AVAX 90.74. Trying to work our way back up. And we're climbing. We're climbing right here, man. Looking for a retest off that 200. Don't get discouraged if we get rejected. I would like a break right here. I really would, because that would put us in a little descending wedge where you have a a descending level of support to a level of support, which would put you at a wedge right here. Let me draw that for y'all. Really want to get a break to the upside of this right here. But we're pumping up. We get a break to the upside, and I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight, guys. Awesome, Jim. Hey, perfect, man. If you can live with it, forget about it. If it turns to 0 and you won't lose any sleep about it, dude, let that ride, man. Nola TN says, I love parabolic moves. Thoughts on Polkadot? Polkadot's going to be over $100 this year, man. I would be buying the crap out of a Polkadot dip right here. Yeah, 100% clubbing. 100%, man. Been buying $5 at a time randomly throughout the night on BTC. Bitcoin. Maxi over here. We got the Litecoin Maxi clown baby himself buying up that BTC, man. Good stuff. So, might be a rejection right here. If we do, just look for that break to the upside. Be somewhere around 61.4. And if we get rejected, we'll probably come back to retest that 61.50 right here. Somebody told me Litecoin's going to 1K. Who is that? Who's that dude? I like Coinbase and Webull, Shan, so check that out, man. That's some really good platforms to start off easily with. Looks like we are getting that low rejection. So I'm really hoping to see it rocket above that. Turbo Fireman, what's happening, dude? I didn't know you're still in here. I want a taste of them sweet, sweet tendies again. It's coming soon, my man. Coming again soon. Joey says, I heard Solana to 1K. That'd be a massive move for Solana, dude. To end the year out, that'd be freaking huge. 100%. You know, I still think you'll get, you know, anywhere between 5 to 1,000 off Solana. I think at 5 to 800. Well, I thought I saw some big green popping. That's Bitcoin. Boom, baby. It is heating up right here. It is. What's about to happen? She's starting to pump. Doge is following. Let me take down some of these tabs. CFC, what's happening, man? Did you buy a TrueBit? Do it. He says, do it now. Should I buy? No, I did, man. Hey, it's at a good price, dude. CFC, you hit that subscribe button for me, man. I'll go ahead and pick me up some TrueBit. Make sure you hop into Discord, man. I'll shoot you a message. Should I long Matic at the moment? Where's Matic at? Dude, it's pumping. Polygon, 100%, dude. That's a good price for Matic, dude. It's down quite a bit. We're getting at a big opportunity right here. Break to the upside. We get out this wedge, and you could form a cup and handle right here off the 1 minute and start ripping back to 62.028. Looking very good right now. Pedro, appreciate that subscribe, man. Welcome to Mass Market. Welcome to the family. Also, check out that free Discord pinned to the top of the chat bar, man. Love to have you join. Yeah, I would feel good about picking up some Matic right here. So we are getting rejected. Let's see what happens, man. Didn't quite get that break to the upside. See what happens. Clubbin got the right idea. He says I'm 19. I'll be a crypto whale by the time I'm 30. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, there'll have to be a lot of work done for Sheep for it to have a true future. That's just the way it is, man. There's no use case for it. Some would argue there's no use case for Doge, but you know, there's plenty of use cases for Doge right now. You know, try to transfer some Shiba, you know, it's quite expensive. So, not to say you can't make money on it. I would have made money on it. I do think, you know, it will be around. We'll have to see what happens with it, man. Yep, that's it, Clown Baby. Each his own, man. If I'd have been buying Shiba instead of Safe Moon in March, I'd have been a lot better off. But you never know, man. You never know. Crow breaking out. Hey, but you see, Chris, you pay attention to that, man, because what you have going on there is everybody that was hopping out and swapping everything for Crow and then hopping out. They're now hopping back in. So Crow, yeah, once Crow, you can watch the exchange coins and watch literally tons of money just pour into the market or pour out. There's actually websites for that. Let's check out Crow. What's it doing? Where's it going? $42. I don't like this chart right here off of Crow. I'm gonna have to find some better charts to look at Crow. I got it at first at 175. Get wrecked by the dip. 156 dip. Matic's a great long term. If you're looking at a long term hold, man, I would not worry about it. And that way, if you buy a little bit each and every time, you dollar cost average in, man, you'll be sitting pretty tight. Shambag, how much? What price are you in at Shiba? Let me know, man. Doge will follow price of dollar. That's it. Doge is going to $1. That's what I believe. Got into Shiba at whoa, you got in cheap. Awesome clubbing. Hell yeah, man. Make you them tennies, dude. So we are getting rejected. We're still in that wedge. Might be a cup and handle forming right here. Let's see what happens. You don't want to break down too far off that handle because then you won't actually get that break to the upside. You might trend back down and retest that lower range of this channel, of this wedge. So you want to bounce right here. You need to bounce somewhere within this range to uphold that. Still not confirmed yet. Let's wait. We might get a reversal right here. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I have to refill my cup because I cannot even speak right here. Let me charge my phone back up. I've been on here for right about 2.5 hours. I'm gonna go get me a refill real quick and then I'm gonna rock for a little bit longer. So if you could hang tight for me. If you have not yet, smash that subscribe button, join the family, link to the free Discord pinned to the top of the chat. If you could gently tap that like button for you, boy, I'd greatly appreciate it, guys. Give me a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes. I'll be right back. Boom. Got the audio all messed up. What's up, Bulldog? That's my dude right there. That dude, that's my guy. If y'all have not yet checked out Bulldog Trading, make sure to do so, man. That's a cool ass cat right there. 24/7 live stream, man. I had to fill up the cup. Hey, you already know, man. I've been rocking here for probably 2 hours and 40 minutes. Actually ran out of water, but we're still rocking, dude. Damn, dude. While I'm sitting here running off at the mouth, dude, we had a pretty good sell-off right here. Pretty good 1 minute candle coming in hot off of Bitcoin. 60,961. Not confirmed yet. Remember, anytime you popping over a level, you want a 5 minute candle. I'm watching the 1 minute chart right here. Definitely watch it. See if we pop right back above it. The shorts are definitely out in full force right now. 61,010. Dogecoin surprisingly has a pretty good green candle right here off that 200, so we'll watch it. Yeah, the moment I realized I was muted, 100%. Appreciate you tuning in, BD. That's my dude. That's my guy. So what we got, guys? Starting to bounce back. A little false break right there, I would call it. Looking good, man. Starting to pump up right here. Might get rejected, these moving averages right here. But definitely in a bit of a descending wedge right here. There we go, Doge. Let's start pumping. 24.89. Starting to get some volume stepping in. That RSI is heating up. 54 right now. RSI is turning on Bitcoin too as well. 48. See what happens. So guys, if y'all just tune in for the first time, man, consider hitting that subscribe button for your boy. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Mass Market. If y'all have not, smash that like button for you guy. We were watching Bitcoin. Had a bit of a crash tonight, trying to work its way back up. Holding steady at 60,000. Trying to work our way back up the way to get to 62, which I believe if we get a break to the upside, we definitely be on track. There's not much in the way right here, being that we had that massive drop off. You know, you still got some resistance right here. Not much at 61,454. That's nothing for Bitcoin to absolutely blow past. Doge actually getting some buying pressure stepping in. Might be heading for 25 cents right here. We had that top right here, 24.95. Let's see if we get the break. RSI is cooking on Doge. Looking to flip this MACD. I think it's about to happen. Should be very bullish. There we go. Bitcoin starting to move, man. Bitcoin is starting to freaking move. If it does that, I'm definitely buying a coin. I don't think that low, maybe 57. I think it'll bounce soon. Nimrod. Thank you very much, Nimrod, for smashing that subscribe button for you, boy, and making that little cat pop up on my screen, dude. Beat my lucky bull charm. Let's go, baby. I think that was, you know, for the night. I think that's gonna be it, man. Hopefully we, you know, try to stay sideways. Try to work our way back up, man. You know, it just sucks. A lot of people got liquidated tonight. You know, I think the FUD with the infrastructure bill toppled with the shorts grabbing a hold of all that, the FUD, and then people getting liquidated led us to the prices we saw tonight. So I'm still a bull, man. I don't think the market's done. People saying, hey, below 60K, market's done, put a fork in it. Nah, man, you still got strong support at 60. And then on your way down, 50, even 58. A break below 60, you still got strong support at 58, man. I would get a little concerned to break below 58. That would be a level I would start to get a little concerned. But plan B, 100K into November, 2.5 weeks away. Could be a cool Cool thing you're about to see, man. Club, it says Bitcoin goes to 40, I'll bet my house on it. You already know, man. So right now, 24.90 on Doge. Got a little rejected at that double top right here, so we'll see what happens. Bitcoin, let's see what time that wedge comes up. Around 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll know if we get the break to the upside or downside. The sooner you get the break to the upside, the bulls are in control. A lot more break to the downside, the bears are in control. So like if you get a break right here before you even get to the end right here, that would tell you the bulls are way more in control than the bears right now. So let's see. Ace Wave, thank you very much for smashing that subscribe button. Welcome to the family, man. We also got a link to 100% free for free Discord pinned to the top of the chat, my man. Make sure to check that out too as well. We got some great people in there. They call some great plays. They do stocks, crypto, everything, man. Also, that guy Bulldog Trading in the chat. Make sure to check him out too as well. 24/7. You cannot beat it, man. Stay up to date on everything. That parabolic move in 2017 started mid-November. You were 100% correct. And we talked about that weeks ago, man, how this was eerily like lining up with 2017 range level stuff that was happening, man. And I'm still super bullish, man. You know, dude, crypto does drop from time to time. I mean, everybody who's investing, they're like, I want it to go up, up, up. But crypto does pull back, man. And if you can't handle the pullbacks, either one, you're over leveraged, you're playing with more money than what you should be, and that's not a good thing. I would never freaking recommend doing that. And two, you just have to understand that's what it does, man. What goes up must come down. And, you know, we smashed some new all-time highs, 69,000, and we're seeing pullbacks to 60. Any day now, I'm expecting some pretty good moves on crypto, man. I'm not in that bearish mindset yet. Like I said, 58K, a break below that, then I'll start getting a little bearish. But for the meantime, we're still hanging tight, man. Above 60K, I like it. We got the close on the weekly yesterday above 65. So seeing some sell-off today, you know, a lot in part with the infrastructure bill. So we'll see what plays out with that, man. That's going to be a... we'll have to see how that all plays out, because they have some senators coming out trying to change some rules already. You know, that taxing on unrealized gains, that's BS. I'm gonna have to dig further into the whole thing and really read the whole bill. I need to take some time to do that. That takes some freaking time. All right, clubbing. Peace, man. I'll catch you tomorrow night, my dude. Well, hey, man, hey, like for real, man, whenever Bitcoin does have corrections, like after the bull cycles, it usually retraces 80%, man. You can go back on the charts and check it out. 80% drop. But that's not to say, hey, you're not at 200,000 before you have an 80% drop. You know, it's going to be a lot higher before this bull cycle ends and we have that correction, you know. And when that bear market hits, you best believe, man, I'm going to still be here streaming. I'm not going nowhere. I've been here through 3 months worth of dips, dude, through the rest of the market. I still stream, man, because there's great opportunity, man. If you were buying ADA at that $1 dip, you know, back in the summer, dude, I mean, you're still sitting up tight, you know. Yeah, dips to 193, but you know, if you were buying at 80 cents, you know, talking about dips to $1, now you're talking about dips to 193. You know, steady growth, man, steady freaking growth in the market. And I do think Plan B will be correct, man. I do think we'll start seeing 100K toward the end of November. And look, I understand there's only 2 weeks left in the month, 2.5 weeks, whatever it is. We got Thanksgiving in the middle, Black Friday. But look, Bitcoin moved 10K in 1 hour about a month ago. It can definitely happen, man. 10K move right here, you're sitting at 71,000, new all-time high. So let me see. RSI is 21 on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's super oversold, man. Super freaking oversold. Bulldog says, I'm happy I subscribed to his channel, though, Matt. You know your ish. You called the algo. You called the Ethereum, you called the XRP at $1. Only subscribe here if you make it. Hey, thank you, Bulldog, man. Much love, my brother. Much freaking love. You already know my man. RSI 31 on the 4 hour. Let's check it out, man. Yep, that thing is sitting at 30, dude. Way oversold. So you could almost watch it on the 4 hour, dude, and like sell at the 75 and rebuy back in at the lower end. You know what you had right here at 26, and then you ran to what is this? 58 to 40. Then you had that pump up to 75. Yeah, I definitely watched the RSI on the 4 hour, man. But you know, you don't want to sell right here, dude. You want to wait for that bounce. You're gonna get that bounce. Let's get back to that 1 minute. So still within that wedge right here. A break to the downside could get a little bit more bullish, but bearish, but I'm thinking a bounce pretty soon. The shorts tried to push it down right here. Popped it right back up, so we'll see what happens. So guys, we got 45 people in here. If you have not yet, smash that like button for you, boy. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, man. We stream 7 nights a week over here. As of late, pretty much every night of the week. There's always something going on in crypto space. Even if it's dipping, there's always opportunities out there to be made in the markets, man. You just have to go out there and make them. And even on the dips, we don't get all down. Just try to buy the dips and sell the rips, my friend. Pop that up. All right, so if y'all got any cryptos, man, y'all in the chat, y'all want me to go over, let me know. Be more than happy to. Looking for a bounce right here. Really could use a bounce right here. See a little bit of green pumping in right here. Let's see what happens. So looking like it wants to turn green off that level of support, guys. Just be on the lookout for that. If y'all staying up late tonight watching it, 61,000 is pretty good support. A breakdown below that, you do have some pretty good support within this range. Ultimately, 60,000 is your next major level. I don't see it going back to 60K. It would take a lot of selling pressure tonight. I do think Europe's starting to wake up. They're going to start buying these dips. You know, they're waking up and like, oh shit, you know, crypto's down quite a bit. But overall, you know, 4% down. Yeah, I've seen worse days, you know, to be honest with you. And I'm saying that lightly because people did get liquidated today. I do feel bad for them. But I've seen worse days. And we recovered from much worse. So I'm not too concerned about it right here. I think it's all uphill from here. Hopefully this is the last dip before the major rips we're going to see for the month of November, everybody. So what's up, Ricky Johnson? The bill being passed states that anyone that trades in crypto has to give information to the receiver for e.g. social security number and name. That they don't, it's a felony. That's the bill. There's definitely reporting in there. And look, man, if you read it and that's the information you dropping, 100%, dude, I'll take your word for it. I was reading some stuff about, you know, the non-reporting being a felony. I need to dig further into it and see exactly what they signed and really break it down. I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow before I hop on the stream tomorrow night, which I tend to stream between 8:30 and 9 p.m. Central. So definitely check me out tomorrow night. Once again, Ricky, I see you new, man, too. Join that Discord for us, man. We'd love to have you. Benny says Birdie's probably buying some Doge right now. It is trying to get the break to the downside right here, man. And that is not what I want to see. Come on, Bitcoin. Richie Johnson, the man. Let's see what happens, man. Where we at? 60,974, man. We need to start pumping. We got those two candles right here sitting tight at 60,900, but we don't want to start retesting that, man. Here we go. We're getting some selling, stepping in. That's just the whales fighting right here. Bears and the bulls, man. Doge still hanging up tight above that level of support at 24.75, but a hard down push right here would probably break to the downside here on Doge as well. 60,934. You got really good buying pressure right here, so let's see if we do get the bounce. 60,928. These tops are sitting at 60,900. Come on, Bitcoin. There we go. We need that bounce right here. Dude, they are fighting for this right here. Dude, they are fighting hard right here on Bitcoin. That RSI is hooking. I think we'll pop back above it. There we go, flatlining. Really need this break back within this channel, man. We got a little bit of a descending wedge going on Bitcoin right now, guys. If you're just hopping in, the bears and the bulls are fighting it out right here. Doge sitting off that level of support. We're trying to hold it 24.75. Absolute dogfight going on right here. Really hoping for a bounce right here. Yeah, crypto gaming is absolutely killing it right now, Richie. I haven't personally been buying into them specifically. I've been buying Mana and Sandbox though. That's the two. Anything linked with the metaverse right now is super hot, dude. We're starting to get that green. That's what we want to see right here. So it didn't quite go as low as these two bottoms right here. Let's see what happens. So what you look for, we didn't get the confirmed break to the downside. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. This is the 5 minute chart. So what you're looking at on that 5-minute chart, you want to open and close above or below a level of support or resistance to actually confirm a trend, a little trend in the short term. So didn't quite get that yet, so not too concerned about it. Richie, man, you picked up some crypto mining stocks? Let me know. See what's happening. Yes, Sandbox and Mana is the future, the best investment now to making the waiting for the dip. Yeah, dude. And once the bear market hits, dude, I'm gonna be smashing up on Mana and Sandbox, dude. The way Facebook is leading the charge into the metaverse, dude, I think those are gonna be some super high plays. We got Snoop Dogg concert going down in Sandbox, man. I cannot wait to see Sandbox and Mana, what they can do one day. Bunch of different great crypto mining, crypto gaming plays too out there, and that is super hot, man. I usually strayed away from them, and then my boy One Shot, man, me and him started talking, and like he was like, "Hey, dude, you need to look at these cryptos, man," and they've been starting to pop ever since he told me about it. So, man, we're getting some hard sell-off right here off this 1-minute candle. The bear is still trying to fight for this right here. Yeah, dude, Mana is super hot, man. The price isn't hot right now. It took a pretty good dip today, but definitely a great long-term hold, man. We're starting to get the break to the downside of this descending wedge, guys. We need to pay attention right here. That is not good. We got that 14 hooking hard down. 50 coming after that 200. Surprised Doge is still hanging tight, 2480. So let's see what happens. Turbo saying next drop in Mana 2.5. I'll pick some up. Let me see where Mana is actually at right here. I looked at it earlier, but I forgot the price. 271. No, hold on. That's not accurate. 306. Down 10% on the day. Almost 10.5% on the day. Dude, what is going on, Bitcoin? Come on. 60,830 low. We need some popping, some green volume stepping in right here. RSI is 36, starting to come up. Let's see what happens. Blocktopia. Hey, you're not the first person I heard call that out, Heyman. Clown Baby says 4 Doge for $1, make you holla. It's a bang for your buck, dude. There we go. So we're starting to get a little reversal right here. So definitely the whale's playing with it. Look, Doge trying to pump too. Let's keep going. I wouldn't even know right offhand, Richie. I do have quite a bit of Ethereum though, pretty cheap, and Doge. Hit me up on Discord, man. Blocktopia to the moon. I did that. Yeah, I think so too, man. I think we get a pretty good bounce play while we all sleeping tonight, man. And if not, if you're concerned, man, if you're playing with money you don't want to lose, make sure you set your stop losses. Make sure you're trading on a platform that actually offers you the opportunity to set your stop losses. You know, I took profits from Shiba, man, and pumped them into Doge. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. And I think I took some and put some into Mana. You know, I'm not mad at Shiba at all, man. I want Shiba to keep rocking. I'm all about Shiba making me some tendies, man. Doge starting to move here, man. Could be heading back for that 24.95 retest right here. A little bit of keep making these new tops right here. I like it. I'll take it. Anything after what happened today. Clown Baby, how you feeling for BITF tomorrow, man? Let me know. Our crypto mining stocks might take a little bit of a hit tomorrow, so just be on the lookout for that. TF is a stop loss. Yeah, right now it is, man. But it's found pretty decent support within this range, man. And I support cryptos that people in our community hold. So if people hold it and they rock with me, I support it, man. If it's not a scam, I'll 100% support it. So what we doing? 60,884 off Bitcoin. Need to start rocking back to the upside. Doge looking to bounce off that 14 exponential right here. Shiba Beto, what's happening, my man? What happened to the market? Did Elon tweet again? I don't think he's out there tweeting, man. If you just tune in, man, first and foremost, man, welcome to Matt's Market. I'm your host, Matt. Hope you hit that subscribe button for us, man. Join the family. Link to a free Discord up above. Make sure to smash that like button too as well. Infrastructure deal. I think the shorts, you know, hopping on that foot action, people getting freaking liquidated, man, is leading up to these this selling going on, man. You know, people paper handsing. It's just snowballing effect right here, man. Shorts are really trying hard right here to really knock the prices down. What's up, James F? Says tons of support. Doesn't look like it'll drop below 60,000. You're right, man. You got a lot of freaking support right here. And then to go back even further, if you would happen to see it below 60,000 bucks, you got strong support at 58. Really strong support. So hopefully that's the lowest it goes for the night, was that 60,000. Make sure I'm not lying to you. Yeah, 386 range. No, it was lower than that. Nope, 386 was the bottom. So hopefully that was the bottom. And we're looking for a bounce here shortly. Start forming a little bit of ascending level of support right there. It's going to take a little while to play out, man. I think we'll know more in the morning when everything's looking up, waking up and stuff. We want Elon Doge tweets. That too, Clown Baby. You know, shorts were pissed off that it closed on a weekly above 65K yesterday. You know, now they're hopping on it, man. Taproot. They don't want Bitcoin going up. Let me see. Yo, in the 1 hour, man, I was whenever I do my TA, dude, I like to look at the 4 hour chart. And dude, you have lots and lots of support right here. And then you even have some right here at 58. You have quite a few tops. So I'm still bullish, man. It is seeing that hard sell off. And anytime you get that knee jerk reaction where you drop pretty significant pretty quickly, is the 4 hour chart. So that 4 hour candle, that 4 hour period was pretty violent. Even this one right here, which led up to it, definitely gets people nervous, man. Gets people paying attention. And we try to capitalize even on the dips over here, man. You can definitely always average down and, you know, pick up some more to your bag before we take off. We got Plan B predictions coming in hot for the end of November for 100K Bitcoin. This could be the dip last dip before the big rip. So that's what we're hoping for. Yeah, hopefully so, Clown Baby. Saying hopefully a double bottom bounce if it hits 60K once again. Doge having some pretty good, really respecting that 24.75. I'm surprised, man. Having pretty good green candle pumping in Doge right now. I think it's setting up for one big ass bear trap, dude. Me personally, that's what I think's actually happening right here. One big ass bear trap before we head for 100K. Paul took man, it's kind of hard to talk. It's actually up 60%. Let's check it out, man. Yeah, it's up 63% right now. Let me see, all time. Looks like it came back in June of 2020. It's sitting at 4 cents. Why is it pumping? That's a good question. It is pumping. I can tell you something, man. There's always something pumping in the markets. And this is one of them today. I wouldn't be personally purchasing right here. That chart looks, last pop was in March and April. And now you're starting to run up to try to test them all-time highs, man. But I'll keep it on my radar, dude. Appreciate it, Beto. Bitcoin value, Ethereum value. All you gotta do is buy $10 of Bitcoin and Ethereum a day, and your kids will be wealthy. That's it, guaranteed. Hey, I was saying something about that earlier. Bitcoin value. I got a buddy who's pretty wealthy off, and all he does is buy Bitcoin. He was buying $10 a day. Like, he stopped bringing his lunch to work and doing all kind of stuff, and you know, he's really, really freaking wealthy off of that. And that's it, man. Skip your latte. That's what he did, man, and it worked for him over the past, I think, 8 years. He's been buying the freaking dips, dude. Uma is also pumping like crazy. Do not touch it. Appreciate that. Yeah, I probably wasn't going to touch it regardless. I tend to stay away from some of them plays like that, man. Oh, I got you. I got you, Beto. I'll look further into it, man. I'll put it on my watch list. So we got, we're starting to get some green pumping into Bitcoin right here after we hit 60,745. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down. It looks like we got the break to the downside. We could definitely hop back above that level of support pretty easily. Which looks like we're about to do right here is trying to pump that RSI is hooking hot. We're coming in hot, baby. 60,992. Doge is pumping 224.85. A break above this top right here, we should put us back toward 24.95 in the short term. So big little moment right here for Bitcoin. See if we can get above that level of resistance right here. Uma's doing the reversal of Bitcoin right now. Change that up. So guys, if you just get in here, make sure to smash the like, smash the sub button for us, man. Greatly freaking appreciate it. If you'd have bought $3 worth of Bitcoin for the past 6 years, you'd have $230,000 right now. That's some math for you. Yeah, Sam will be back, man. Bitcoin's starting to pump, guys. Let's hope we didn't quite go as low as some of these bottoms down here, so that's a very good sign. Hopefully we start ascending from here. Sand is pumped already. You want metaverse exposure? I look into who's supplying the best hardware. What's Zuckerberg going to be selling in his stores? What do you have to buy to get into Meta? Hey, that's good information. Appreciate it, man. 100%, dude. That is something to look at, man. You're thinking ahead of the game, and I like it. But while Sand is already pumped, man, I would have to say it does have some room left to go. This bull cycle, and you know, you'll see a pretty good pullback in the bear market. But if you're adding and, you know, just buying a little bit every day, man, dollar cost averaging in between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then add to altcoins accordingly, you'll be sitting tight, man, next bull cycle. So what we got going on? Getting rejected once again. Still not worried. Still not concerned. So as of right now, guys, 112 XRP Dogecoin 2480. We got Bitcoin 60,960. Shiba coming in hot at 5072. Solana 227. Ethereum 4329. Litecoin 245. Absolute steal right there for Litecoin. AVAX 8978. Let me see this right here. Adverts in the VR environment will be more profitable, hence no barrier to entry. Huge user base. Awesome, man. What's up, Bitcoin Meetup? How you doing, my dude? Yeah, we rocking late, man. Trying to see what's going on, man. Trying to see what's going on in the crypto space, man. Appreciate you tuning in, my dude. Doge trying to hang tight at 24.75. What we got? Bitcoin 68,830. Waiting for a break back above that level of resistance right there. 61,000, man. What's up, Andrew Diaz? What's happening, my dude? Says XRP is gonna provide liquidity to banks for cryptos that clients hold. They're making a product, and I'm still bullish. I'm 100% bullish off XRP, man. 100%. Hey, you might get a good buying opportunity right here, Andrew. I would have to go with USDT, man. Nola TN. If you're thinking about it, COO and Fortnite are already metaverses. Just a 2D version. Look at the sales of their skins. These will be NFTs. Yeah, 100%, dude. Fortnite, all these games are actually leading the way, man. Leading the charge. And these little virtual currency coins, the VC coins, my kids play all that shit, man. You know, you redeem them for so many skins, like you're calling them. It's gonna be the same thing with NFTs with real life crypto money, man. It's gonna be a big deal, man. So I like your idea of like going after, you know, what they're gonna be selling for the metaverse. That's another great. It's still super early. Like that is a great way to go about looking to invest in the metaverse, man. What do I think about? Let me see. Hold on. $20 red candles in a row in a 1 hour. RSI is at 19. Super oversold, man. What do you think of XLM long-term hold, dude? I think XLM is a great project, dude. I have the Coinbase debit card. I got it for the mere fact that I can get 4% back on every purchases that you actually make. So like, say you pay your house note, pay your car note, you're in 4% XLM. You want Bitcoin, just swap it for it. Be done with it. You want, swap it for whatever you want. But it's a great way to earn a decent percentage of crypto, while not actually investing a whole bunch into it. You can just make money off of paying your bills and stuff like that, buying your lunch at work. CP trading, almost all the charts look the same except Gala. Yeah, we just had one pump and someone dropped in here. Let me see what it was. Protocol. I can't even pronounce. I can't even speak. Let me get some water. It's up 63% though. Yep, I got you, Andrew DS. All right, so what we got? Dogecoin starting to fall a little bit here, 24.70, getting a break to the downside over that level of support. Let's hopefully we hop back above it. It's not confirmed quite yet. You want a 5-minute candle open and close. You would have to open and close below this level of support to confirm it. We're watching this on the 1-minute price action. So 1, 2, 3, 4, next 1 minute would be pretty crucial. See if we pop back above it. Same thing kind of going on with Bitcoin right here. Let's check out that 1 hour chart. What you talking about? Yeah, quite a few, man. Quite a few. I'm not going to count them out live on live, but I'm pretty sure it's... You add them all up, that's 19. I'll take your word for it, my man. What's up, Tundra Productions, my dude? Mass Market, when are you going to launch a crypto? Probably never, my friend. Let me not say never, but it's not even... a thought right now. We've had some talks, not even a mass market coin, but nah, I'm not feeling it right now, man. I mean, we all saw what happened with Upshot, man. What's up, Alan? How you doing, man? I bought OMG after the airdrop. I thought that was the tip. Still dropping. Order cut my losses. Dude, I like OMG long term, man. I do, man. What's your price target, man? Let me know what price you got in at. Now I can give you some personal advice what I would do. I don't know how much you bought. What's your price average? It's sitting down 12% on the day. $10, 10.19. Let me see. Over the week, you got pretty hammered, man. You had like that little double top up there at $20. That last top didn't even quite reach it. Let me see. Hit 1940 before it fell out, man. Market rank 87. Yeah, let me know in the chat, man. I kind of give you my personal advice what I would do. Dude made some pasta, hell yeah. I really think Doge will hit around 22 before the big jump. Yeah, I mean, you're 2 cents off, man. I'm not sitting here saying it can't, man, 100%, but I'm just hoping this 24.30 was the bottom for right now, man. That is what I'm hoping for. Hopefully we'll wake up to much higher prices tomorrow. Yeah. I hate you, CP. Make some NFTs, I'll help. Is anyone here minting on wax? Hey, man, that dude, Mr. Ryan, who was in the chat earlier, Megatron, I'm going to be bringing him on one night to talk about, mining, all that good stuff, man. NFTs. We'll have some guests come up. Because by all means, I'm not an expert in crypto mining, but I know some people who are. I know the right people to get in touch with. But I am looking at getting into mining. So I'll keep everybody updated with you know, that whole journey. If y'all want to get involved, feel free. I got some pretty good hookups that could get us some pretty good setup for pretty cheap, man. So guys, as of right now, just some sideways trading. I think we'll know more as the night progresses by the time we wake up in the morning. Right now, Bitcoin 60,835. A break below that 60,386. You still got really your biggest level of support at 60,000. And then you have some along the way. I don't have those lines put up. You know, you'll catch traffic at 59.5, 59. But you have major support at 58,000. But I really don't see it dropping below 60,000 unless something astronomical would fucking happen tonight. Like the shorts would just show up and, you know, take over the market for tonight. So 60,710. We're starting to get some more selling going on. Clean BTC gonna be on fire. So guys, look, I'm getting tired and I'm not gonna give you my best show tonight, being super tired. But guys, thank you, man. Y'all helped me kill it tonight. Absolutely appreciate all the brand new subscribers, man. Even on a bad night, this was it's a good night hanging out with y'all, man. Make sure y'all hop in that Discord. It's 100% free. Why not check it out, man? Really great people in there. They call awesome freaking plays all the time. Guys, we stream 7 nights a week. So 8:30 p.m., 9 p.m. Central tomorrow night. Make sure to check us out, man. We'll be out here. Join up for the next episode tomorrow night. Hopefully we'll be reporting on much higher crypto prices. Alan says I bought 50K OMG at 14 bucks. Thanks for your advice, man. Damn, dude. Real quick, man. Hold on. I gotta answer this for you, man. Me personally, dude, you got beat up over the past 7 days, man. Fuck. 14. Personally, dude, I'd probably still hold it. I'd have probably hopped out a little bit before then. I feel bad for you, man. I really do. Especially if you rode up to 20 bucks and that 1940 again, and then it fell out on you. I think that was one day it fell out between, yeah, what I'm seeing here, 1940 all the way to freaking 12 bucks, dude. So I feel you pain. You know, there's probably some liquidations going on with that. Plus everybody's selling out. That sucks, man. I feel for you, my dude. You see, like when you play lots of money like that, it's sometimes best to try to dollar cost average in or dollar cost average down. Like if you have some money, maybe try to, you know, average down, dude. I would try to average down. I would not sell for a loss. I gotta hold true to my trading beliefs, dude. If you can, if possible. I know you have a lot in it, but if you can average down a little bit to try to get out a little bit cleaner, man. I do think OMG will be back. I just think you know, you might be sitting on it a little bit longer, especially what's happened with Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin 60,516. So will we see worst case scenario tonight? You see a double bottom at 60,386, and you break to the downside from here, which we're having some selling pressure coming in right here. Doge having some big selling right here. Holy shit, 24.53. Man, the shorts are in full fucking force tonight, man. What's up, Dylan Nixon? How you doing, man? Yeah, appreciate y'all smashing them like buttons for me, man. Really do. Man, right when I say I'm getting off, look at this shit, dude. Damn it. Yeah, Look, I'm gonna get off. You know what happens over here when mass market signs off, dude? Everything starts fucking ripping. So guys, look, break below 60. Get a little worried, not too worried. I still know where we're heading in the long term. Just be careful out there, guys. If you're trading with more than what you're willing to lose, definitely be freaking careful. If y'all need me, guys, message me directly in Discord. I'm always there, available for y'all. Appreciate all love and support, man. It is 100% received and will be reciprocated. So guys, we'll be on tomorrow night. Make sure to check out the live stream, and best of luck with